62 much.
Okay.
At too much.
Yeah, when the hearing matter starts, I'll take up your matter first.
Procedural. Item number 69 and 72, my lord, of supplementary list. And this matter wrongly listed in the orders column. No notice was issued. So let the matter come on Monday as motion matter.
This is a motion matter?
Yes.
Let's see.
On earlier occasion, on 18th of this month, this matter came as motion matters and honorable court directed to take instruction. So
Item 69.
69 and 72, both the similar nature.
No, notice was issued. It is coming out. It's correctly in the order matter. Notice was issued.
Notice was issued, but on that day,
It's correct. Notice was served. You had to take steps on the respondents 1 to 4. So it's correctly coming up for orders.
I didn't take the step. Let it pass over for the day. I will take in the meantime. I will take steps.
Pass over for the day. You have not taken steps.
Yes, my lord. I could not follow the order. Only I have heard that the instruction was sought for. 69 and 72.
Oh, no. Notice on 5 to respondent 5 to 8 will be considered today. So let it be during the order stage. Let us see what instructions they've got.
As per instruction, they did not get any instruction. Let it come on Monday, my lord.
Then we have to issue notice.
Yes.
Who appears for the other side?
Khatan here.
So 17. You wait for some time. We'll
Yes.
see.
May I plead your lordship?
Oh.
Item number 66 and 67, my lord, in the supplementary list, my lord.
Yes.
My lord, I have some personal difficulty today. Some medical emergency is there, my lord. No problem, my lord.
This is on your prayer that it is
My
coming
lord,
up.
but due to my medical emergency, I could not. I have to go to the medical, my lord. On next week, my lord.
You are praying for?
For the petitioner, my lord. I informed the respondent side, my lord.
Okay, on request made by Mr.
As Chaudhary.
Learned counsel for the petition. When do you want?
On the next Thursday, 5th, my lord.
No. We don't. List the matter on 10th.
Okay, my lord. Deeply.
With the consent of the other side, I beg to mention item number 54, 55, 56. Lordship. The conducting council has some personal difficulties, so matter may be adjourned for the day.
54.
Maybe 54, 56, and 54, 55, 56.
You are appearing on behalf of?
J.I. Borbuya.
Okay, on request made on behalf of Mr. J.I. Barboya, learned counsel for the petitioners. When do you want?
Maybe it's the 10th of December.
10th, I'll just fix it. 12th.
Obliged.
Highly obliged.
Yes, please, your lord. I beg to mention listing of an writ petition next week, any day, my lord. The matter is the service is completed in that matter and it's ready for admission here.
Okay, 9th.
Obliged, my
Wait, legal. Lord, I may be allowed to move an urgent writ petition tomorrow.
What?
Lord, the urgency is that I asked for a defense assistant in a DP. That was kept pending. In the meantime, they have proceeded with the inquiry. 2 hearings happened, and I was forced to cross-examine the witness by myself. I approached before your lordship. Lord. Your lordship was pleased to dispose of the writ petition, directing the disciplinary authority that give him the defense assistant. Now, the interesting thing the disciplinary authority has done, the person whom I nominated to be my defense assistant, he has rejected that and he has given an alien who is stranger to me to be my defense assistant. No, this is not contemplated under the rules.
Okay.
Too much. Highly obvious.
It is the Lordship. I have filed one interlocutory application on 28/10, my lord, and the case has been numbered, but till today it has been listed for correction of an order, my lord. So can it be taken up tomorrow, my lord? Or Monday, my lord? 2nd of December, my lord.
Okay, Monday.
Obliged.
May it pleases your lordship. Lordship, I am praying for listing of one contempt petition, lordship. Can it be on any date in the next week, lordship?
11.
May I please your lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention for listing of two IA lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, the similar matters are listed on 4th of December. So the other two IAs,
What IA?
IA
IA for what?
implement lordship.
Okay.
Bless.
May please your lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, with regard to item number 64, lordship. Lordship, there is lordship. Very small correction has to be made in the IA lordship with regard to just the one word. Can I be allowed to correct it in front of the?
That is not possible, no, in view of the notification.
Yes, lordship, regarding amendment.
Oh.
Yes, but a very single word, your lordship. Only a single word. If lordship allows lordship, otherwise lordship, let the matter reach. We'll look after it on the next day. Lordship. Only a single word is just a missing.
What is the single word?
Not. NOT.
Okay.
Much obliged.
I would like to mention for a listing of one retreat petition.
Mm.
Can a matter can be taken up on 4th December due to some urgency?
What is the urgency?
As the result of the petition result has been declared, has been B.Ed final exam is declared, but the original mark sheet has not been handed over to him. Can the man, due to some difficulties for the
We'll have it on 6th, Friday. Is it okay?
So I beg to mention this item for admission, my lord.
Admission. Okay. 13.
And others two matters 69 and 72 that may come on Monday.
Monday, it will be difficult. No. Okay, on request, item 69 and 70. 69 and?
72.
Okay, item 69, request made by MSA Bajogoya. Then the council and the petitioner. List the matter on 2nd. And 72 also same order.
Monday, my lord.
Item 1 of daily list, motion.
May it please your lordship.
Oh.
My lord, the other day, my learned friend has referred to a judgment 2015 1 SCC 661. I'll explain, my lord, why this judgment is not applicable in this case. If your lordship would kindly come to page 662, my lord, paragraph 2.
Oh.
This said paragraph reads as follows. Inquiry officers should not be changed after the commencement of the inquiry. Once the inquiry was commenced, that is witnessed, etc., produced and examined, an inquiry officer should not be changed, as it is desirable that an authority who hears the argument should decide the case. Allegation of bias or prejudice, if any, received against inquiry officer based on facts and reasonable ground should be properly examined by the disciplinary authority, and reasons for continuing the existing officer or changing him should be recorded. So, Malad, this particular lordship knows in case of bank employees, there is no 309 rules. There is a tripartite agreement between the management, the government, and the workmen. So that is how they call it award staff of State Bank. Now, this particular provisions provides that normally an inquiry officer should not be changed. That is the normal rule, Milord. Now, what is the distinguishing feature is paragraph 5. Whether this was pointed out. That during the pendency of the writ appeal, the inquiry officer so-and-so took voluntary retirement with effect from Iman. Therefore, after decision of the division bank had no option but to appoint another inquiry officer, and accordingly so-and-so was appointed. Well, does it lay down any legal proposition? Well, what is a decision? What is a ratio decidendi? There must be a principle of law laid down. If on the facts of a particular case, a particular order is passed, that is not ratio. But here in this case, the inquiry officer, my lord, he took voluntary retirement. So therefore, my lord, it was in that circumstances. Now, what is the facts of our case? My lord, there is a judgment of our High Court, my lord, on this point. Please have the judgment and reaction. More or less in a similar circumstance. Now, please come to me, Lord, paragraph 4.
Yes.
There is an interim order restraining the respondent from proceeding with the inquiry to the newly appointed inquiry officer, being the state inquiry officer, as per notification dated 17/5/16. The question that has arisen before this court is when an inquiry process has been initiated and carried forward to certain extent, whether a new inquiry officer can be appointed to replace the earlier inquiry officer, and if yes, under what circumstance? So this was the precise question. In this respect, reference is made to the pronouncement of the Honorable Supreme Court, Tearde versus so-and-so, when in paragraph 12 it has been provided that if in a particular case there has been no proper inquiry because of some serious defects that may have crept into the inquiry, or some important witnesses were not available at the time of the inquiry, or were not examined or some other reason, the disciplinary authority may ask the inquiry officer to record further evidence, but there is no provision under the rules in force in the said proceeding for completely setting aside the previous inquiries on the ground that report of the inquiry officer or officer does not appeal to the disciplinary authority. In the instant case, although it is not a case where report of the inquiry officer is sought to be ignored by appointing another inquiry officer because such report is not appealing to the inquiry authority, but at the same time by replacing the earlier inquiry officer by another inquiry officer without any reasonable cause, without circumscribing the role of the subsequent inquiry officer, the implication thereof also would be that a part of proceeding conducted by earlier inquiry officer would be obliterated and there may be de novo inquiry. The circumstances under which a de novo inquiry can be ordered is circumscribed by law, and it has not been pointed out by the respondents in any manner that in the instant case, such circumstances were satisfied in order to appoint a new inquiry officer by ignoring the proceedings that were already initiated by earlier inquiry officer. Accordingly, the notification dated appointing state inquiry officer is set aside and respondent may continue with the inquiry proceeding as per the earlier appointed inquiry officer as per order dated 3/6/2000. If because of passage of time for any reason, respondents are of the view that the said inquiry officer would be disabled to continue with inquiry, in such circumstance alone, a new inquiry officer may be appointed. But new inquiry officer shall continue from the stage where the inquiry proceedings remain inconclusive as per the earlier inquiry report. So, my lord, as far as this honorable court is concerned, the proposition of law is if the inquiry officer is incapacitated for reasons to be recorded in writing, in that case, it is permissible. But it can't be, my lord, a normal exercise of power that because the appointing authority or disciplinary authority desires, therefore change the inquiry officer. Now, what is the reason assigned, my lord? Is it the case he is no longer alive? Is it the case that he has retired? Is it the case that he has been incapacitated? So, my lord, this power, only the bottom line in this such matter in my humble submission is, my lord, normally there is no power to appoint a fresh inquiry officer. power is there to order further inquiry by the same inquiry. Now, in this case, if your lordship would kindly come to page number 68. Pursuant to the first show cause notice, my lord, one Srimati Chinmoy Talukdar, Deputy Director of Higher Education, was entrusted to conduct the inquiry. Page 68.
Yes.
So, my lord, she is already there. Now, how can they come up with another one? Your lordship's order saying that we have not interfered with the show cause notice dated so and so, that is there. But that will not empower the authority to appoint the inquiry officer, change the inquiry officer, my lord. So therefore, my lord, in my humble submission, this order at page number 118, it cannot withstand judicial scrutiny, my lord. Page 118, this is the order which is under challenge. So therefore, my humble submission is, my lord, this exercise of power is perhaps not correct, my lord. সেই অৰ্ডাৰটো কিহৰ য'ত হেৰি কৈছিলে আমি গাঁঠি দিছো নেকি অচিন্তৰ অৰ্ডাৰটো পেজ কিমান আছে পেজ নম্বৰ there is one more judgment of the our High Court, my lord, in a similar identical fact situation. If a lordship would kindly have that, this WPC number 4111 of 21, my lord. I think a copy was given on last occasion. WPC number 4111 of 2021. Order dated 6/10/21. Has your lordship got
Yes.
it? Yes. Please come to that order, my lord. Same, that there was also a case where the PhD degree was doubted. I'm reading from the first subparameter. If the authorities have any doubt on acceptability of the PhD degree of the petitioner, it would be open for them to constitute a committee, inquire about acceptability, and take any decision on the said degree as per law. But a tentative view taken by the authorities on acceptability of the PhD degree cannot be a cause for a misconduct by petitioner for the purpose of initiating a proceeding under Rule 9. If, in view of the prima facie case being made out and considering the balance of convenience and irreparable, the petitioner may suffer. In the interim, we provide that proceeding initiated so and so. So, my lord, if the authority has constituted any committee to go into the veracity of my PhD degree, if the authority comes to a conclusion that yes, the allegation is correct, this degree cannot be accepted, unless we challenge that, it's a different aspect, my lord, but that would give them some legitimacy. But, my lord, merely on the basis of some ifs and buts, it cannot be permitted. Moreover, my lord, in this case, what we have clearly stated in the pleadings is, my lord, the 2009 regulation of UGC was adopted by the state of Bihar as well as the university in only 2014, whereas my degree was prior to, my PhD degree was prior to that, when the coursework was not envisaged within the report, my lord. That we have given, my lord. If your lordship will kindly come to...
No, Chaudhary, the
Yes.
main issue in this writ petition.
Yes. No, I'm
It-
just making a submission on
Uh-huh.
the... And now here is, my lord, whether an inquiry officer can be changed in the manner as is sought to be done.
So main issue is the
That inquiry officer.
page 118.
Yes, 118. So we say, my lord, already there is an inquiry officer.
So we can dispose this matter.
Yes,
Okay.
that is my humble submission. And, my lord, if they have got the, I mean, if they have made any inquiry, if there is, then let that be placed. Then we'll take a call. That is.
I have already concluded my submission. Just I am reiterated, Lordship. The order dated 27/2023, Lordship, which starts from page 97, Lordship, 97 to 101, Lordship.
That order, that stay order, my lord, in respect of the second inquiry.
No, sir.
Oh, I.
My lord, may kindly peruse the operative portion in 101, Lordship.
এইটো কেমে দিয়া order?
101. 101.
Yeah.
Paragraph 14, Lordship. I am reiterated. It is attained finality, Lordship. No appeal was
Not like
preferred,
you
no
in the-
review was done by the petitioner. It's attained finality, Lordship. And as per the Honorable Court's directions, Lordship, we have to complete the process within a period of 2 months. Although we have failed it, Lordship, in earlier occasion, Honorable Court directed to complete the departmental proceeding initiated, Lordship, as per the Supreme notice dated 3/6/2017 within a period of, Lordship, for 2 months period, Lordship. It is attained finality, Lordship. So, Lordship, now there is no question arises, Lordship, whether it should be by the inquiry committee or by the other committee.
Okay, that's a different
Lordship,
issue.
Lord.
But the challenge,
Regarding-
main challenge is with
Main
regard
challenge
to
is
the
regarding appointment of inquiry officer, Lordship. That day I am relied the particular judgment, Lordship. It says that, Lordship, if there is a bar in the statute, then also we can change in the circumstances arises, Lordship. Here the record, reason of record is we have placed, Lordship. The
you
particular,
have the records?
I have the record,
Yeah,
Lordship.
okay.
Yes. That day also Lordship has peruses it, Lordship. The person which was holding the charge of the inquiry officer, he was transferred from the department, Lordship. So that's why we have replaced him. And Lordship, what prejudice is caused to him, Lordship? Any prejudice is caused to him? Any biasness is, Lordship, there?
Is there any bar in the rules?
No, Lordship. No, nothing is there, Lordship.
Okay.
Nothing is there. Our disciplinary appeal rules, nothing is there, Lordship.
Okay.
It neither this way nor that way. It neither says that you cannot change or you says that you can be changed, Lordship. Neither this way nor that way. Even the departmental proceeding manual also, that is not there, Lordship. So, Lordship, as per the law laid down by the Honorable Apex Court, we can change it, Lordship. There is no bar in the statute, Lordship, and a reason is recorded, valid reason is recorded in the, Lordship, our records, Lordship. That's why this is my humble submission, we can change it. If, Lordship, I can place another division bench of Rajasthan High Court also, Lordship. It says that we can change it, Lordship. Although I am basically relied the Honorable Apex Court judgment, Lordship. Rajasthan High Court division bench. Paragraph 12, Lordship. Lordship, I can read it, Lordship, in internal page 3, Lordship.
Oh,
2001 0 Supreme Rajasthan 1 to 4. The inquiry officer can be changed at any stage while he was not completed his inquiry. Once he completes an inquiry and submits his report to the disciplinary authority, and for any reasons, if the report is not accepted, then the position reverts back that the inquiry has not been completed until the same is completed on remand in accordance with the direction of the disciplinary authority. It also envisages that whenever another inquiry officer is appointed, he shall continue from same stage wherever it has not been left by the predecessors, and the evidence so required by his predecessors can be read into. If he is of the opinion that the interest of justice for the examination of any witness is necessary, it can record face evidence also, Lordship. It is in respect of paragraph 10 says that, Lordship, as per the rule 10, you cannot change it. Then Honorable Division Bench of the Rajasthan High Court says that we can change it, Lordship. This is my humble submission, Lordship. If Lordship require, I can place the record.
Just 1 minute, my lord. My lord, Air did that 1971 Supreme Court is the only judgment on this point. And following the judgment, my lord, there is a judgment by Justice Salameshwar as a judge of the Supreme Court, where the same view has been reiterated, my lord. Now the issue is, my lord, interpreting Rule 15 of Central Civil Services CCA rules, my lord. Honorable Supreme Court has said that Rule 15, which is perimeter to Rule 9 of our Assam rule, it emphasizes only one inquiry. So, my lord, there Rajasthan High Court cannot come over, my lord, the Supreme Court. The judgment which has been relied by Honorable Justice Bujor in that judgment. So, my lord, there it emphasizes further inquiry. Yes. Supposing, my lord, in a given case, inquiry officer dies or he is incapacitated, suddenly Therefore, my lord, law cannot be interpreted in a manner that it will lead to some absurd situation. That is not my submission. Question is, what is the necessity of changing the inquiry officer? Now he says that earlier inquiry officer was transferred out. Now, my lord, now you have appointed an inquiry officer who is a principal of B.Ed college. Now the present inquiry officer is a principal of B.Ed college. So, my lord, this is not the issue. Issue is, yes, in certain situations, certainly there has to be some alternative arrangement made. But what is their alternative? What is their necessity? We must come to clean on that. End of the day, my lord, it is administrative law. Lordship will see the fairness in the procedure. Why should I again face the ordeal if half of the thing was done earlier? Why I should again disclose my or defense, my lord? Well, my learned friend says, what is the prejudice? My lord, when there is a violation of fundamental right, one need not plead prejudice.
With the first show cause notice,
Yes.
where you have given the reply,
Yes.
after that, what happened?
Some hearing took place.
After that, Lordship, the reply was done, Lordship, nothing was done. Nothing was progress, Lordship. Nothing was progress, Lordship. At this stage, it was stopped, Lordship. Nothing was progress.
Now, my submission is, my lord, hearing took place. Yes. The records will reveal, my lord. We need not, argue and counter argue.
Record is there?
Nothing was progress. Only this, even.
So my humble submission is, my lord, the judgment which my learned friend says that the show cause notice should be brought to his logical end, that we are not disputing. That is not our challenge. Our challenge is change of inquiry officer in the manner as it has been done. So that's my only submission.
And
Deeply
Lordship, I just corrected one thing, Lordship. My senior sources pointed out that it was replaced by the college principal. It is a wrong submission. My lord, may kindly produce 118, Lordship. It's replaced by the joint director. It's replaced by the joint director.
This one valid in 1
118. 114 is no longer existed. It is already state, Lordship. Nothing is no value is there in respect of 114, Lordship.
114 is already.
118, Lordship. 118 it was replaced. It was replaced by the Lordship joint director, Lordship. And record is specific reason is there, Lordship. As per the three judges bench of the Honorable Supreme Court, dictum of the Honorable Supreme Court, we go by the dictum of the Honorable Supreme Court. It says that we can, Lordship, and it will be start from the point, Lordship, where it was left out, Lordship.
Let us see the
Lordship.
records. Is it the record of the disciplinary process?
Lordship, this is the earlier record, Lordship, where all the cases which was filed and other things is there, Lordship.
No,
But no, regarding progress part, nothing was progress, so I have to submit it.
Is it here?
Progress part is here, nothing was there. Only so-called reply was given, Lordship. After that, everything was stopped, Lordship. Regarding appointment part, that is there, Lordship.
Okay, only appointment.
Appointment part, Lordship. Appointment part, that is there. There are two files of the departmental proceeding, Lordship. One is overall the fake PhD holders, Lordship. That is here, Lordship.
That is a different thing.
As per the Lordship's direction.
So far is the proceeding against
the petitioner, all fake PhD holders is there. Appointment regarding inquiry officer in respect to the petitioner is there. The record is there. Reason of the record is in the next page, Lordship. Next page. It is not a case that of biasness, nothing is there, Lordship. Only since the inquiry officer, he have to participate, he have to place his case. Either this man or that man, Lordship. Even, Lordship, for example, Lordship, just I point out one thing, Lordship. For a moment, Lordship, my Lord has transferred as the Chief Justice of the another High Court. Some judicial proceeding was my Lord has left out. Then it should be by the predecessors from that particular state, Lordship.
Okay, that's a different.
Particular state. That is it's a quasi judicial or judicial. That is another thing, sir. Same procedure will be applied. Same principle will be applied.
inquiry officer is still in the dispute. So the department has been
Okay,
changed.
heard K.N. Chowdhury, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. R. Islam, Learned Counsel for the petitioner, as well as Mr. K. Gowel, Learned Standing Counsel, Higher Education Department. So, hearing concluded, judgment is today and tomorrow I am having
We have no issue.
I'll pronounce judgment on Monday.
We have no issue. We have no issue, Lordship. Lordship kept the record,
No,
Lordship.
some importance is there, so
Lordship kept.
I'm pronouncing it on Monday.
Lordship,
You-
Lordship.
Much of it.
Oh, Mr. H. Hamwa, Learned Standing Counsel appears fully. You have nothing here.
No rule, Lordship. My lord may keep the record, Lordship.
Yeah, I'm keeping.
Lordship. Oblige, Lordship.
Much.
If required, Lordship, we can supply this on also.
No, I don't think,
No.
you are saying it has not
Yes,
proceeded.
no, Lordship.
any further-
Only Sokos is there. Sokos replies is there, Lordship. After that, nothing was progress. After that, he was suspended, Lordship. And by the honorable court's directions, he was reinstated, Lordship. And my lordship also directed us to proceed with the in 2023 orders, Lordship. That was stopped, Lordship. Then again, that Sokos issue that was already my lord state, Lordship. After that, we have initiated as part of 17, Lordship. That is the state, Lordship. Oblige, Lordship.
2 and 3.
May it resolve. My lord, the block elementary education officer, he was arrested, then he was suspended, and a charge memo was given, and ultimately it was extended. In the writ petition, we have challenged the extension order at page 53, 54, where the reason shown is this, my lord, at page 54. Your lordship has already gone through all this, and this page 53, extension, last paragraph. It has been decided as per personnel and department OM to examine the matter. The incident under investigation has caused serious embarrassment to the Department of School Education, has dented the image of the department. Therefore, pending of the ongoing inquiry, decided to extend the suspension period for additional 3 months for further inquiry. It was on 10/6/2024.
Your first suspension was,
First suspension, my lord, on 14/10/2023, which effect from 6/10/2023.
that was page.
Page will be, my lord, 30, 34, my lord.
No, 34 is not the.
The show cause is 34, my lord. Suspension order will be, my lord, in the next writ petition, my lord, it is there, my lord. The 28/30, my lord. New writ petition 28/30. 30. The new writ petition, my lord, the first one is 30. Writ petition number 6046.
6046.
My lord. Page 30.
Okay.
It was on 14/10/23 with effect from 6/10/23. Last line.
Yes.
My lord, I was allowed to go on bail, next page, page 31. And I informed on the next page, page 32.
1 minute.
Charge memo, page 33, submitted on 8/12/2023.
Yes.
And my lord, ultimately at page 53, the extension order. There are two dates. One is 8/6/2024, and the next date below is Joint Secretary 10/6/2024. Page 54. And the reason shown is the first line. And it is there, it is held that the suspension review committee meeting held on 16/3/2024.
Where is this meeting? Minutes?
That's minutes I don't have, my lord, but this extension order has again been further extended on 19/9/2024, my lord.
during the pendency of this writ petition, every 3 months they will keep on extending, Madam.
Because
Okay.
But if this extension order is bad in law, your lordship will interfere it and set aside it.
19.9?
19/9/2024, because it was earlier extended on 8/6/2024 for 3 months. So
Just now we have come to been informed that they have again
the
extended.
copy has been marked to the petitioner, my lord.
But copy has been marked.
Where's that order?
Copy diya.
Okay.
But during the pendency, they will keep on extending them. Earlier in the writ petition, which is 3572, they have not, they have filed the affidavit on. They have filed the affidavit on, my lord. It was in September 2024, they have filed the affidavit, my lord. We have received. September 24, they have filed the affidavit. Reason to file?
The same reason.
And the same reason shown, my lord.
Same reason.
And your lordship has already expressed that this reason is not as per Ajay Chaudhury's case. Now, there should be a reason on it. This reason your lordship has already expressed. Last occasion when, my lord, we have not filed a new case, 6046, your lordship has expressed that this reason was
Where's the review committee minutes?
That I don't have, my lord. Review copy.
That not this one, the earlier one.
earlier.
That I don't have, my lord.
Can you get it?
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord, that I can get.
The records.
Yes.
When can you produce it?
Next week, my lord.
Wednesday?
Wednesday. Friday, my lord. Next Friday. If it is not convenient.
Friday is what date? 6. Okay, that's what. Okay, what Mr. P.K. Roy Jeffrey, let me concentrate.
Can it be on 5th, my lord? That will be better, my lord. 5th.
Mr. N.J. Khatania, Learners Standing Council, Elementary Education Department shall produce the records containing the minutes of the suspension review committee
13/6.
held on 16/3/2024.
16/3. Will be, my lord, review committee held on 16/3/2020.
As well as 7/9/2024.
Okay, I'll get both the record.
It will be in the same report.
Yes, madam.
List on
6th.
5th, my lord. 5th will be better, my lord. It is a Thursday, it will be better, my lord.
Obliged.
4. Admission.
Roman child was to plus they are given.
Get the report of the second medical board, my lord.
You are appearing in this matter?
Yes, madam. Mr. Mazumdar will appear. He is coming, madam. But I have got the report, madam.
One day report pen.
Okay.
Now, how do I know which one is the which one? How many petitioners are there? 100?
142 petitioners were there. Lordship, in the list that we had submitted, 29 were
No,
there.
no, that's a different thing. Total.
142.
Total petitioner 142, my lord.
Oh,
And 29 have got subsequently they have been given appointment, my lord.
oh, correct.
Yes, madam. We have get the list of 29 of 9 petitioner, my lord.
Okay, those 29
Yes, madam.
petitioners.
Yes, madam. And
Where are the names?
I'll explain, my lord. The first column, my lord. Third column, my lord. Petitioner in WPC. One is Zahidul Hasanullah, then his father's name, then district. Then, my lord, his serial number in the report. The report enclosed with the list, my lord. In that list, there is a report, my lord. Entire bunch of document. That 128. 128, my lord.
Page.
No, my lord, the serial number 128.
Here.
Here, my lord. Yes, my lord.
Oh.
128.
Oh.
Percentage as per GMC report is 40, my lord.
40%.
40%. In fact,
Then in the last examination, how
it was for 14%.
How it came down?
But that can be answered by the medical board, my lord. Because we are depending upon the
Okay, fine,
decision of the medical board, my lord.
fine.
As per the report of the medical board, we have
You've got the copy?
yes, my lord.
A soft copy has been given.
This one?
A soft copy has been given to us.
Okay. Oh, you don't have a hard copy?
No.
I have taken only one printout, my lord. Actually, yesterday night I got it, my lord.
In the morning itself.
Morning I have given a soft copy, my lord.
So you want to print out, see, go through this, or
Yes, yes.
you want to go through this?
We can verify.
You want to verify?
Yeah, we can verify.
Because see, now who appears for the medical department?
Medical board, my lord.
Medical department party আছে না কি
আছে.
Medical board.
See, what is happening?
Response number
What
5.
is happening? Yeah, is that the petitioner number 1? Katani, you'll have to make a list.
In fact, in the
Petitioner number 1, 40% disability. In that examination, he was brought down to 14%. First one. In the second one where he was appointed, it has gone up to 40%.
40%.
In our certificate.
So now this medical department will have to explain this.
Exactly, my lord.
In our
Because-
certificate granted under the online survey, under the law.
That was 40.
40%.
That's why I'm saying 40, 14,
40,
40.
14.
So
These discrepancies. And
That's-
therefore, my challenge is that the board as such is not competent, that board. It is no board at all. I'll come to the other legal issues also. No board at all. Had there been a duly constituted board with the authority to do it, that would have consisted of all the experts and they would have followed the due procedure, which is time taking.
who appears for the medical department?
Someone was there last time. Who can be
Mr.
there? Last time, Lordship has recorded
Mr. Gogoi, my lord, I think.
Oh,
because they are party here.
Response number 5.
Shalia was there for the finance.
4 and 5, my lord. Who is the principal, Guwahati
Who is
Medical
the
College?
principal
Then medical board.
and medical board is 5. কপি দেখাইছিলা সেই কথা
You want to print out yourself or you want the printed copy?
They should have given one printed copy. They are having all these.
No, Mr. my lord.
77.
I can.
pages.
The Assam government is
See,
going through
that's
a
the
financial grants. So
The government. Earlier, they provided us some soft copy. We had to print out and submit before this order. They didn't submit. Now at least let them come with this.
Yes, my lord.
can you give a
Yes.
Instead of hearing, they are submitting.
Yes,
please?
I'll survey hard copy, my lord. Because nowadays we
Okay,
live
heard
in
Mr.
soft copy.
K.K.
That's why, my
Mandal,
lord.
Learned Counsel, Senior Counsel for the petitioner. Senior Counsel assisted by Ms. N. Begum, Learned Counsel for the petitioners. Mr. N.J. Katania, Learned Standing Counsel, Elementary Education Department.
has submitted a list of, has submitted the
Report of the medical board.
report of the medical board with regard to the 29 writ petitioners who were subsequently given appointment, uh, uh, against a new advertisement that was floated on
11 to 23.
11 to 2023. Stop. Para, Learned Standing Council, Elementary Education shall furnish a hard copy of the set list to MS N. Begum, Learned Council for the petitioners. Today itself?
Yes, my lord.
Within the course of the day. Then we can have it on Tuesday. List these matters. This matter again on third. Is it third? Yeah, third is a Tuesday. On that day, you can see that the medical department is present.
Yes, yes. I'll ensure it.
I think they are very important.
Yes, my lord.
Well, on third, I have some personal difficulty.
Any day, convenient day.
No, on third, that is next, not on third, Lordship may take it up on,
That's why a convenient date. Convenient date.
yes. Yeah, fifth,
Okay.
fifth.
Obliged.
Five to 45.
Hmm?
Yeah, 5 to 40.
45. What is this?
Lordship directed me to file an affidavit in respect to item number 16, my lord.
1 minute.
Usually you are not taking the. Regarding this, your lordship in item number 50, they directed to file an affidavit, they've served me with a copy.
Affidavit file.
Now,
Yes, today they have filed me a copy.
I'll file in the course of the day, it will be filed.
you are filing it today.
Today, my lord.
Not yet.
I have served a copy, my lord.
3273.
Yes, your lordship.
Oh.
Three to
One of
seven.
the petitioner was not paid the current salary. Rest of the petitioners were paid except this. So they
Among the 99%.
No, even 3436, they are not being paid.
3436, not that instruction has not come, my lord. There's in the order itself, there is a either their prayer is something different, my lord. That instruction, that instruction has not come. I am waiting for some time to get the instruction, my lord. So telephonic
See,
instruction.
there were two directions on that day. First, file your affidavit with regard to Sina's case. Second is take instruction with regard to MSK Davis case.
Yes.
Why they were not being paid their
Yeah.
current salary.
There is telephonic instruction, but I don't have a written instruction, my lord. Their prayer is something different. They want only the area salary. And that written instruction I have not received it, my lord. In this case, other case, my lord. That is 343621.
Okay. Third, the learned counsel for the petitioners in all the writ petitions. Stop. Mr. S. Bora, learned standing counsel, BTC submits that he is filing affidavit in WBC number 3273/2017 within the course of the day. Stop. He further submits that he is yet to receive instructions with regard to the petitioners in WBC number 3436 of 2021 as to why they are not being paid their current salaries. Stop. Registry to verify the affidavit filed by the BTC in WBC 3273 of 2017 and place the same on record if found in order. Stop. How much, when do you want?
Any day except 12, my lord. Any day.
Mahanda?
Yes, my lord, actually, now it is current part only.
Regarding area salary, they have not much speaking anything, my lord. Yes, my
So
lord.
when should we,
My
when
lord.
should we list it?
December first week, my lord. Sorry.
Except 12th.
Well,
My presence may be recorded, just my presence. Perfect.
Or after 12, my lord.
After 12 comes that
Let it be
maybe a motion week.
Let it be in the first week of January, my lord, then it will.
What did I say? He's yet to receive instructions. And accordingly prays for some time. Stop.
My lord.
Then January
January 7th, my lord, let it Tuesday.
7th on the opening day.
No, 7th. Opening day is 3, my lord.
3.
Opening day is 3. 7th is the Tuesday.
3 is a Friday, after New Year. Normally
Your 9th, my lord.
7 will be an opening day. 3rd will be just. I'm sure none of the bar members will come to quarters.
9th.
Most of the bar would like to stay in the bar, perhaps.
If he got one day, then he to edit tinta, he won't.
9th, let it be on 9th.
My lord.
The only understanding is that your lordship, they'll file it by December, your lordship. So that if there is something, we can file it.
No, I've said he's filing it within the course of the day.
No, in case of Mr. MSK Davis, the other case, they'll file it in the second week of December. And probably the hearing can take place on this issue on that date, your lordship.
Let the affidavit with regard to WBC 3436 of 2021 be filed within a period of 2 weeks from today. Stop. Mr. B. Gogoi, London Standing Counsel.
Yes, sir. Final.
Appears for the Finance Department. Please down.
9th, 9-1.
9/1, 2025.
Keep it.
It is up to 46.
May please your lordship. My lord, this application is for claiming the regularization of service of the petitioners as college teachers.
Mr. K. Gogoi, he is handling this matter because he is on left lordship in court number 23.
We'll wait for some time.
You want to wait for some time?
Lordship, yeah, for the time.
After.
47, 48.
He is seeking for an adjournment.
Can it be taken out?
Let me on Tuesday next, my lord.
Tuesday next.
Hurt Miss cancel that. Okay, I didn't pass anyone. Hurt Mr. M.K. Chowdhury, Leonard, Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr. A.U. Ahmad, Leonard Counsel for the petitioner. On request made on behalf of Mr. K. Gogoi, Leonard Standing Counsel, Higher Education.
Not
Hired.
When do you want?
Tuesday, my lord.
Tuesday not. Yes, not.
Tuesday next, my lord.
Hurt. Hurt.
Yes. I'm like.
Okay.
47, 48.
Oh, the same one. Yes, Miss Chamwa. UGC Council, you wanted to withdraw your affidavit?
After some time, I will include after some time.
No, see, last occasion they say want to file an application.
I have
If
no.
they don't want to do, we'll proceed with the
No,
repetition.
I'm ready, Lordship. I'm
No,
ready,
no,
Lordship.
I'm not saying it to you.
No,
What
sir.
I'm,
No, I understand, Lordship. I understand. Understand. No,
you're not filing any application for withdrawal.
even they are not present here also, Lordship. File to the. File to the. File to the. File to the. Matu, matu, matu.
But after 5 minutes.
Oh, you try to get.
Otherwise,
He was here earlier.
I'm here. I'll be here.
No, no, Chama was here earlier. After some time.
No, sir.
After some.
49.
My lord will see page 32 of the petition, my lord. I'm assailing this order, my lord.
32.
32. But the basic thing is that, my lord, the private respondent, my lord, Bobita Inti, she was working with Longleat High School. She has been transferred as headmaster in Creative High School. That is the question of challenge, my lord.
1 minute.
And she is 12 years junior to me. In pursuance of KAC letter number so-and-so, dated so-and-so, issued by the Deputy Secretary, Department of Personnel, KAC DFU, and in the interest of public service, Miss Bobita Inti Kathapi, MA History B.Ed Assistant Teacher Graduate of Longleat High School, is hereby promoted to the next higher rank of full-fledged headmaster, with transfer to the act as a headmaster at the Creative High School in the scale of pay so-and-so, 2 rupees so-and-so, plus allowances as admissible under the rule with effect from the date of joining. Vice, she Durgeshwar Saike headmaster, Kildeep High School, transferred to so-and-so. So she.
This Bobita is respondent number
Number 5, my lord.
5.
5. Now she has been promoted from one school to other school, my lord. That is the question of challenge, my lord. So, because I in that school, Longleat School, I was the now I was senior most teacher in that school, my lord.
Which school?
Creative High School, my lord.
That kid up. Where the respond number 5 has been brought.
Yes, has joined. She is joined as a headmaster, full-fledged headmaster. Now, how she is promoted, I will demonstrate that, my lord. But before that, lordship may see page 31, my lord. So graduate cadre is there. Serial number 5, Rekhamani Bora. She is joined on 4/9/92. Lordship will mark this date, my lord. 4/9/92. She joined.
This is a petitioner.
A petitioner.
Oh.
She joined 4/9/92, and Bobita Inti, private respondent, joined 2nd November 2004.
Where's that?
It's there in the affidavit filed by them, my lord. Lordship may see their affidavit. Filed by the lordship will see page 2 of page 54, my lord. Page 54, para 2.
Page 54.
This is the affidavit filed by Bobita Inti, my lord. Page 54, para 2.
Yes.
That the deponent obtained Master Degree Arts from the Assam University in History in the year 1999 and passed B.Ed examination from DFU B.Ed College in the year 2000. The deponent was appointed as an assistant teacher graduate of Longleat High School, White so-and-so,
dated 1/11/2004 and joined the service on 2/11/2004. So she joined 2/11/2004, whereas I joined 4/9/1992. After 12 years, she joined, my lord, and now she has been promoted from that school to my school, my lord, where she has been a full-fledged headmaster. That is a challenge, my lord. She cannot, my lord. And number two, there was no selection process conducted by the state, my lord. And then the lordship may see 29, page number 29, annexure 7. This is when the school provincialized, my lord. 1/1/2013. This shows that this document, my lord, that school was provincialized with effect from 1/1/2013.
Which school?
This is our school, my lord. Kirdip High School. Kirdip High School, my lord, 1/1/2013. Top lordship may see. I'm, my lord, I'm MA B.Ed, my lord. Now, lordship, see their affidavit, my lord. Filed by autonomous council, my lord. Lordship may see page 37, para 5, my lord. Para 5, my lord.
Yes.
It says that, my lord, the Rule 14 of Assam Secondary Education Provincial School Service Rules 2018 provides the qualification for recruitment to the post of headmaster of the high school. Rule 14.2 laid down the eligibility criteria for holding the post of headmaster of a high school. Rule 14.2a provides the candidate must be BA, BSc, BCom, BT, B.Ed degree from recognized university in respect of Hindi teacher having degree qualification. The Parangat and Nishana shall be considered. So, my lord, this is the rule, my lord. Now the and last lordship may see. I'm reading it better. 14.2, the graduate teacher must at least have 10 years of teaching experience to hold post of headmaster of a high school. The Additional Secretary Education Department wide letter number so dated 23/2/2022 communicated that minimum 10 years of service is mandatory for promotion to the post of headmaster as per Rule 14.2b. Assam Secondary Education Provincialized Schools Service Rules 2018 and teachers of the schools provincialized in the year 2013 shall be completing 10 years of minimum service on 1/1/2023, and therefore the school provincialized in the year 2013 should be kept out of the purview of promotion of the regular headmaster till 31/12/2022 and until further orders. So this they have shown this annexure, my lord. Your lordship may see this into the annexure at page 44. That this is, they are saying that the school there cannot be headmaster, regular headmaster, but in other way it is protecting me also, my lord. With reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to inform you that in respect of schools provincialized in the year 2013, the graduate teachers of these schools have not completed minimum 10 years of service as on date, which is mandatory for promotion to the post of headmaster as per Rule 14.2b of the Assam Secondary Education Provincialized School Service Rule 2018, and minimum of these schools provincials in the year 2013 shall be completing 10 years of minimum service as on 1/1/22, and therefore the school provincialized in the year 2013 should be kept out of purview of the promotion of regular headmaster, which is under process till 31st/12. So in other way, I'm being protected, my lord, because there should not be any regular headmaster because the school was provincialized in 2013. So 10 years will completing on 1/1/2022. Now I'm eligible for headmaster, my lord, being the senior most teacher. Now lordship may see para, my lord, I will see that the procedure of appointment page 40, para 9, my lord.
Page
40, my lord. Para 9. Now clause last, my lord. Clause 11, this is their rules, my lord. They have annexed this. clause 11, recruitment to the post of headmaster, my lord. The post of headmaster of a high school shall be filled up by promotion from the candidates amongst graduate teachers as district-wise seniority list. Now there has to be district-wise seniority list, my lord, on the recommendation of the district promotion committee constituted by the authority of the KAC. The minimum qualification for appointment to the post of headmaster of a high school be as per norms laid down in the government of Assam. The selection of headmaster shall be based on seniority and satisfactory annual confidential report for the last consecutive year, 3 consecutive years. The seniority of the graduate teacher shall be determined from the date of receiving graduate scale of pay by respective assistant teacher. Now, this is important, Lordship. The district promotion committee constituted by the authority of KAC shall hold interview. There was no interview held, my lord. Verify the records of pertaining to seniority of eligible teachers for such promotion and evaluate the merits of eligible candidates for promotion and prepare select list. There has to be a select list, my lord, equal to the number of vacancies. And after approval of the select list by the authority KAC, the appointment shall be made as per preference of the merit in select list. The validity of the select list shall not exceed beyond 1 year. Now, lordship may see the clause 14 says, next page 42, the number of members should be present, my lord. Here, number 4 and number 5, who are independent person, has not been there in the selection board. So-called selection board.
There was a selection board?
Yes, so-called selection board, my lord. But number 4 and number 5 was not there, my lord. These are the 2 independent person should have been there, but they are not there, my lord. Now, lordship may see that the recommendation, now see page 46, my lord. This is, my lord, so-called promotion. Minutes, has your lordship got it? Page 46, my lord. Minutes of departmental promotion committee held on 24/3/2020, 12 noon on the office chamber of secretary education so-and-so. The meeting of the departmental promotion committee was presided over by the secretary IC education chairperson of the departmental promotion committee. The chairperson welcomed the members present in the meeting. The members who are members, lordship, see the only 4. There has to be 6 members, my lord. There is only 4. The chairperson welcomed the members present in the meeting. The departmental promotion committee discussed the proposal of inspector of schools, Karbi Anglong District Circle, Difu, on the matter of promotion with transfer from the present post of assistant teacher graduate of Longleat High School to the next higher rank of the headmaster and to be transferred to Kedip High School in the same capacity. Now, lordship, mark it here that they have discussed the proposal of inspectors. Where is the question of proposal, my lord? There cannot be any proposal, my lord. There has to be a district seniority list. If on the basis of the proposal of inspector school, you are appointed. The departmental promotion committee discussed the proposal of inspector school. Where is the question of proposal, my lord? Then, on placement of the proposal committee, verified all the documents. On verification of the committee found that Shrimati Bobita Inti Kapral was appointed as assistant teacher graduate. While order number so-and-so dated 1/11/2004, she joined the Longleat High School on 2/11/2004. 24. She has the qualification of MA B.Ed. She is the senior most teacher graduate in Longleat High School as per Judicial list of Longleat High School, and she has completed 17 years, 4 months, 20 days continuous service as on 21/3/22. She has the requisite qualification and eligible promotion to the post of headmaster of the high school. Nothing adverse report was recorded in her confidential reports for 3 consecutive years. As such, the committee, after third discussion, decided to recommendation of a promotion to the next higher rank of the headmaster in respect of so and so. So there, it is on the basis of proposal of inspector school.
1 minute. Yes.
Then page 41, when I've shown
So
that
this indicate that there was no interview.
no interview, nothing.
It was only a proposal.
On the proposal of inspector school, he proposed and he got, and that too a full-fledged. Your lordship, see the implement order, the words of language, the higher rank to the full-fledged headmaster, my lord. Page number 32, my lord, of the writ petition. promoted to the next higher rank of a full-fledged headmaster, madam.
She was the teacher of which school? Longleat.
Longleat, my lord.
When was this Longleat High School provincialized?
2030, that was earlier, my lord.
Okay, earlier.
Earlier, my lord. But my school provincialized on 2013.
Okay.
So I completed 1/1/2022, 23. And in fact, my lord, the Durgesha Saikia, who was transferred in place of her, he also got transferred on 1/1/2003. But as on date, I am the senior most teacher in Kirdeep High School, my lord. But I am deprived of the promotion, my lord. But of course, it will be not a regular selection, my lord. But as a in charge headmaster, I am deprived of it, my lord. And I am the senior most, my lord. And this court has granted interim order on 21/2/12/2023. Subsequently,
1 minute.
Huh? the only plea taken by them is that, my lord, I was not promoted because I have not completed 10 years.
Who is the interim order?
Interim 20/12/2023, my lord. ऐसा नहीं। यही उसके बाद।
No, this order was not interfered with.
This order was not only an interim pass, my lord,
Not to fill up the post.
not to fill up the post. Because now there was a letter, my lord. So that's what, my lord. And number two, my lord, somebody picked up from a particular school has been transferred, and that too on the basis of no interview, no select list. There has to be a district for seniority list, my lord. Without district for seniority list, how can the promotion be regular promotion be made, my lord? And it is the lordship has seen the promotion committee that it's only a proposal of the inspector of schools. No district for seniority list has been prepared there, my lord. And the Bobita Inti's reply, if it is para 2 and para 2 is the only relevant para, he has mentioned that he is a joined page 54, my lord. That she joined school at Longleat High School on 2/11/2004, and she was promoted. That's the only and she has annexed the interview. Then lordship may say page 58, my lord. She has enclosed the seniority list. Now in that school, my lord, in Longleat High School, Raju Nair is the in charge, my lord, because he became the senior most, my lord.
After her transfer.
After coming of Inkti, my lord. But because if she would have been there, she would have been in charge headmaster there, my lord. In that school, my lord, in the Longleat High School, my lord. So now she, as because she has been transferred to my school, she is a person who is junior to 12 years, is controlling the school, my lord. I understand there is a departmental proceeding, severe, somebody looks for headmaster, that's a different thing. But here is nothing. A regular promotion made without the rules, my lord. Not in accordance with the rules. Now, Durgesh, he retired, my lord. I could have been appointed there also, my senior most teacher, my lord, because I'm the senior most, my lord. But I am deprived, a person who has worked 12 years senior to that person, my lord.
When did he retire?
Durgesha retired on 1/31/12/2023. Good. So after 31st 12, I'm the senior most man. I should have become the in charge headmaster, my lord. And there cannot be a full-fledged headmaster for that school, my lord, when there is not procedure has been followed, my lord.
Let us see that procedure again.
Yes. In their affidavit, government affidavit, they have mentioned page, my lord, 40, my lord. Clause 11, recruitment to the post of headmaster. 11.1, the post of headmaster of a high school shall be filled up by promotion from the candidates amongst the graduate teachers as per district-wise seniority list, madam. So it has to be district-wise seniority list on the recommendation of the district promotion committee constituted by the authority of the KSE. The minimum qualification for appointment to the post of headmaster of a high school shall be as per norms laid down by the government of Assam. The selection
Roy, para 9, you read from the top.
Parana, yes, sir. That the deponent begs to state that in exercise of the executive power vested on Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council on primary education to secondary education, the executive committee of Karbi Anglong adopted the resolution on 6/2/2024 and decided to issue notification with regard to recruitment and condition of service of teaching and non-teaching employees of primary education to higher secondary education. Accordingly, the Principal Secretary, Karbi Anglong, issued a notification dated 14/2/2004, laying down the condition for recruitment to the post of headmaster. The notification came into effect from the date of issuance of notification. The condition for recruitment to the post of headmaster are recruitment to the post of headmaster. 11.1, the post of headmaster of a high school shall be filled up by promotion from the candidates amongst the graduate teachers as per district-wise seniority list.
It says the notification comes into effect from the date of issuance.
Yes.
So 14/2/2024. So this
yes, and if your lordship say in the previous.
Let us see that education manual.
Yes.
What rules was it?
This is my lord.
2018 rule, my lord. Assam Secondary Education Provincial Election, page 35, my lord.
Lordship, I see page 35, rule 14, my lord. It's the same, my lord. Hardly there's minimum. The post of headmaster of a high school and superintendent of high school madrasa shall be filled up by promotion from the candidates amongst the graduate teachers as per district-wise seniority list on the recommendation of the district selection committee constituted under Rule 16.2. The selection headmaster of a superintendent shall be based upon the seniority and statutory annual confidential report for last 3 consecutive years as per procedure provided under sub-rule 3. Provided that the seniority of the graduate teacher shall be determined from the date of receiving graduate scale of pay by the respective assistant teacher. The eligibility of the post of headmaster superintendent in high school, high madrasa as the case may be shall be as follows. He must be BA, BSc from with BT, B.Ed degree from any recognized university in respect of Hindi teacher so and so. He must have at least 10 years teaching experience as graduate teacher. Provided that the graduate teacher shall include the cadre of assistant headmaster for the purpose of selection to the post of headmaster, and the seniority of the assistant headmaster shall be counted from the date of joining as graduate teacher with graduate skill of pay. Provided further that in case of amalgamated high school, here I'm leaving this, my lord. Then 3, before the end of year, the inspector school shall make an assessment of the number of vacancies to be occurred in the cadres of headmaster and superintendent and to be filled up by promotion in the next year. The inspector school shall call particulars in the prescribed format of the eligible candidates teachers for filling up of the vacancies through promotion. The member secretary shall hold the process of applications and then submit them to the district selection committee. The district selection committee shall hold interview category wise and prepare a panel of select lists, double the number of vacancies of the concerned district. The select list so prepared by the district selection committee shall be submitted to the state selection board. The state selection board, after necessary verification, as may be required, shall prepare a district-wise select list equal to the number of vacancies and publish the same in the office notice board or in such other places as the director may consider fit and proper. After publication of the select list, the appointing authority shall issue promotion order from the approved select list. The validity of the select list shall not exceed beyond 1 year from the date of publication. So it's more or less same, my lord.
So
Then-
before that notification of 2024 came,
Yes,
this was applicable.
this was it. Same,
Okay, this is applicable in the district of Karbi Anglong.
yes, district government.
Okay.
So that is the case. Madam. So I've completed 10 years because if the respondent, private respondent would not have come, I would have been promotion, but in charge principal, I will be there, my lord. And this notification, my lord, which is enclosed, that is page 44, my lord. In other ways, it protect me, my lord. It is issued on 23rd February 22. Because if there would have been a regular purview of promotion, a regular headmaster, so these schools are to be excluded, my lord. I would take it in the other way around, my lord. Because there will be chaos, man. If somebody comes from other school to my school or somebody my school to some other school, so there will be chaos, my lord. There will, and the more so, there is no selection procedure followed, my lord. They don't have selection process, only on the proposal of the inspector of schools. So, and she is near to the school, that's why she has been promoted, my lord. It is a she would be in the same school also, my lord. But no, but that the school is near to her place, my lord. So that's why she has been promoted, my lord.
Okay.
And lordship said that interim order passed, my lord. I'm just reading that part, my lord. It is submission of Mr. J.R. Anderson in the council, the petitioner, Mr. Regularization was headmaster of Kindipai School and transferred to Longleat High School in terms of order dated 23-22. Is stated to be retiring at the age of superannuation on 31st/12/2023. The said post should not be filled up at the regular basis till the next date fixed. So that there is a stay that night. Because if again the post is filled up, then again there will be problem. Now, at best, mother, she could be gone to her place, my lord. And I remain in the school as the senior most teacher. And now I'm eligible for promotion also, my lord. That's all.
Lordship, look into Annexure 7, page 29, read petition.
Page.
Page 29, Annexure 7.
Yes.
That my lord, date of notification is 22/9/2014. The provincialization order. Cleardep High School was provincialized on 22/9/2014 with effect from 1/1/2013. Lordship, put up the date, my lord. 1/1/2013, school was provincialized. As per the rule, my lord, for promotion, the person must have 10 years teaching experience. And the petitioner completed the 10 years of continuous service in the year 2013 or 2023. And the promotion of that particular post was held in the year 2022. The petitioner does not have the requisite qualification for holding the post of headmaster of high school on that particular date. If the petitioner does not have the requisite qualification, she cannot claim that particular post. And lordship, look into that, my lord. 1/1/2013, the government notification, which we have annexed in our affidavit, page 44, my lord. That 45, my lord. There's a typical mistake in 44. Lordship will look into the 45.
I can read this.
Now, 44 is a typical mistake, my lord. Minimum service as on 1/1/2013, my lord, 23, not 22, my lord. My learned friend so wrongly constituted as 22, my lord. Page 45. With reference to the subject cited above, I am directed to inform you that in respect of the schools provincialized in the year 2013,
that particular school, Kildev High School. The graduate teacher of this school have not completed minimum 10 years of service as on date, which is mandatory for promotion to the post of headmaster as per Rule 14(2)(b) of Assam Secondary Education Provincialized Service Rules 2018. And the teachers of this schools, provincialized in the year 2013, shall be completing 10 years of minimum service as on 1/1/2013, 23. So as on 1/1/2023, there's a typical mistake in that that 1/1/2022. And therefore, the schools provincialized in the year 2013 should be kept out of the purview of promotion of the regular headmaster, which is under process till 31/12/2022. So the petitioner does not have the requisite qualification for holding the post of promotion till 31/12/2022. As the petitioner does not have the requisite qualification, the petitioner cannot claim promotion, my lord. And the law on that point is particularly settled. The another point, my lord, regarding, my lord, selection, my lord. Lordship may look into it, my lord, 6th schedule to the Constitution, that the 6th schedule to the Constitution, my lord. Sixth schedule to the Constitution, para 3, my lord. Para 3, power of the district council
One minute.
to make law. Power of district council and regional council to make law. Paragraph 3. The regional council for an autonomous region in respect of all areas within such region, and the district council for an autonomous district in respect of all areas within the district, except those who are under the authority of regional council within the district council, have the power to make law. The lordship law, there is a clause D, 3(a)(d), primary and secondary education. The autonomous council have the 3(a)(1)(d), small d, primary and secondary education.
No. 3(1), 3(1),
capital A, 1D.
3 capital A.
3 capital A, that was inserted in 12/9/1995, my lord.
Oh,
That is the additional power to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, specific only for Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council, this additional power is given.
oh.
Capital 3A, additional power of the North Kasar Hill Autonomous Council and the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to make law.
Oh.
And D, my lord, primary and secondary education.
D.
D, small d, primary and secondary education.
Oh.
If it is a page 213, my lord, in the book.
No, that's fine. 3A is there.
1D, small d, primary and secondary
I
education.
can't find a D.
D is there. Three A, additional power.
Oh, fine.
Mal.
Then
Primary and secondary education, my lord.
Yeah,
My lord,
yes.
we have the power to make law on primary and secondary education. Until making the law, my lord, then lordship will look into para 6. Para 6(2).
Yes.
para 6(2), the para 6 power of the district council to establish primary and school, etc. Para 2, the governor may, with the consent of any district council, entrust either conditionally or unconditionally to that council or to its officer functions in relation to agriculture, animal husbandry, community project, cooperative society, social welfare, village planning, or any other matter in which the executive power of the state extends. Accordingly, my lord, after resolution of the Assam State Legislative Assembly, primary and secondary executive power of the primary and secondary education was entrusted to the Autonomous Council by way of notification issued by the governor.
Which notification?
That is, my lord, if lordship will look into that 6th schedule book. Agree constantly. More late.
Okay. Let him find a page. Let him find a page. Okay, I'll come back in 5 minutes. I'll come back in 5 minutes.
Six of the 6th schedule of the Constitution of India and with the consent of the Karbi Anglong Autonomous District Council is pleased to entrust and delegate the functions in relation to the following subjects, departments to which the executive power of the state of Assam extends to the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council with effect from the date of publication in the official gazette. That is the, my lord, 7. Education, primary education up to the level of higher secondary education. My lord, that is the executive power extends to the Autonomous Council. As the law enacted by us, my lord, that has not received the assent of the governor, my lord. So we have issued the executive instruction in the year 2024. Before that, we are following the spirit of the 2018 rule, and this honorable court upheld our discretion of holding the district promotion committee in accordance with our own, my lord, constitution, my lord. That judgment, lordship, that order has already been passed, my lord. That is a judgment, my lord. In this part, coded bench of this court, my lord, in WPC 2626/2020.
Yes.
Paragraph 6, my lord. Paragraph 6. Mr. So learned counsel for the KSC further states that although the rule 2018 had not been adopted by the KSC as required under the provisions of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, but at the same time, the spirit of Rule 14 of the Rule 2018 is being followed by the authorities. In following the spirit of Rule 14 of the Rules 2018, it is contended that instead of a district-wide seniority list provided under the rules, the authorities in the KSC follows the procedure of school-wide seniority list in respect of which the promotion to the post of headmaster is to be made. Secondly, instead of being district selection committee as provided in the Rule 14, the authorities in the KSC follows the procedure of the district selection committee in the KSC. But for the criteria for promotion to the post of headmaster of the KSC follows the criteria provided under Rule 14 of the Rules 2018, which is seniority and satisfactory annual confidential report for the last 3 consecutive years. Accordingly, it is contended that district selection committee had followed the criteria of seniority, and as the respondent number 2 and 3 is the admittedly senior to the petitioner as indicated above, and there being no unsatisfactory ACR in respect to and so, the district selection committee deemed it appropriate to recommend so and so. Next para. Para 7. Under the provisions of 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, it is the prerogative of the KSC to either frame its own laws or to adopt any other law for the purpose, and in doing so, the KSC authorities deemed it appropriate to follow the spirit of the Rule 14 of the Rules 2018. Under the scheme of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, we do not find any infirmity in the procedure adopted by the KSC. On the other hand, the authorities of the KSC also deemed it appropriate to follow the criteria provided under Rule 14 of the Rules 2018, that is seniority and satisfactory ACR to the criteria for promotion to the post of headmaster. The district selection committee had taken its decision to recommend the so and so. Considering so and so, my lord. As regards the third, so my lord, that is the, we have followed our own rule, my lord. We follow the spirit. As the So the Honorable Court upheld the procedure adopted by the authorities of KSC, my lord. And in this particular case, my lord, the petitioner, as per rule, my lord, does not have the requisite qualification of 10 years of teaching experience. The school is provincialized in the year 1/1/2013. So her seniority will be counted from 1/1/2013. And the response number 6 is joined in the school in 2004. And admittedly, the response number 4 is senior to the petitioner, my lord.
When was the school of the respondent number 5 provincialized?
Before 2004, school was provincialized, my lord. So it is admitted position that that school, my lord, Longneat High School was provincialized, earlier the Kilgap High School, my lord. So in that point, my lord, I'm relying on the judgment of the Supreme Court, my lord, reported in 1997, 4 SCC 18, my lord. Page 21, paragraph 6. The 3-day judgment of the Supreme Court, my lord. Paragraph 6.
1 minute.
Paragraph 6, my lord, third line.
Yes.
For the proposition that while applications are called for prescribing a
No,
particular
1
date,
minute. Paragraph 6.
paragraph 6, my lord, the review petition came up for final hearing so and so. We had the learned culture for so and so, so and so. We are of the respectful opinion that the majority judgment of so and so is unsustainable in law. The proposition that where applications are called for prescribing a particular date as the last date for filling the applications, the eligibility of the candidate shall have to be judged with reference to that date and that date alone is a well-established one. A person who acquires the prescribed qualification subsequent to such prescribed date cannot be considered at all. So, my lord, the petitioner fulfill the eligibility criteria, my lord, in the year 2023, my lord. So she is not entitled for promotion on that particular date when the private respondent was considered for promotion. That is the law, my lord. Law laid down by the Supreme Court. That is my submission, my lord. As the petitioner does not have the requisite qualifications, she cannot be considered. Now the district seniority list was prepared, my lord. The post of that particular is also vacant, and it will be considered for promotion, my lord, including the petitioner also if she is eligible, my lord.
District seniority list has been
now is being prepared in the district-wide seniority list, my lord. District-wide seniority list is now being prepared, and the promotion will be considered to the post of headmaster in accordance with the district-wide seniority list, my lord. And the case of the petitioner, if he is eligible also, that her case will also be considered in the year 2024, my lord, as she has now the eligibility criteria.
Is it under preparation now?
Preparation, my lord.
When are you completing?
My lord.
When are you completing the preparation?
I can, it is under preparation. I can submit it on which date. Within 1 month, I think it will be considered in the December. It has already been prepared, my lord. The
Completed.
Now, objections, my lord, certain objections are there, my lord.
Okay.
Objections are also it will not finalize, my lord. And that is my written submission also, I'm preparing it, my lord.
Who appears for respondent 5? You appear.
Lordship, my senior has completed almost extensively all the points, Lordship. Towing his line, Lordship, I have received graduate scale since 2004. So definitely I'll be senior, Lordship. The petitioner received graduate scale only from 2013, Lordship.
No.
School was provincialized in the year. He might have appointed in there, but it will be counted from the date the graduate scale is being received, Lordship. That is the law, Lordship. Lordship, can you see the proviso of rule 14, Lordship? 14.1. The proviso to rule 14.1. Page 35, Lordship. May I read the proviso, Lordship? Provided that the seniority of the
Page?
graduate, page 35,
Yes.
bottom, Lordship,
Hmm.
the proviso. Provided that the seniority of the graduate teacher shall be determined from the date of receiving graduate scale of pay by the respective assistant teacher. So she received from 2000.
Where is the provision that it has to be considered only from the date of provisionalization, the constitution of 10 years?
My lord, that is our affidavit annexure 1. Page 45, my lord.
Your affidavit on that.
That is a typical error, my lord. That is 44, so it's 45.
Page?
45. Shall be completing on 1/1/2023, my lord. Not 22. The typographical error that cleared up, my lord.
That's fine.
My lord.
22 should be read as
23,
23.
my lord.
Ah.
There is no dispute to that matter.
So Lordship, in view of that, Lordship, definitely I'll be the senior. I am eligible on that day. The post has filled up. She was not even eligible on that day.
Well, my instruction is that it will be completed in the month of December. Seniority list. District-wise seniority list should be completed in the month of December. my-
Okay.
My lord will see. If I'm again referring to the impugned order, my lord, page 32, my lord. I understand, my lord. That if Babita Aunty, but why Durgesha Saike has been transferred, no, he is in charge at senior most in that school, my lord. If you are following the rules, Durgesha Saike, he retired on 31st/12/2003 from the school where the private respondent was working. But why Durgesha Saike was transferred as headmaster of that school, my lord? Because he did not question the transfer order, but he under threat, my lord, because he would be transferred from some other school. So Durgesha Saike, who was senior most teacher, was working as a headmaster of the Kirtipai school, has been transferred, my lord. And when Durgesha Saike will retire, I have completed my lord, because 31st/12/2023, my 10 years got completed, my lord, as per page 45, my lord. Because 31st/12/23, Durgesha Saike retired, my lord.
So you are due from 1/1/2024.
1/1/23, my lord. 1/1/23.
Okay, yeah, 1/1.
1/1/23.
Hmm.
So I'm due because Durgesha Saike could not have been transferred from my school, my lord. So when he retired, then I become the senior most, my lord. So I get now what the judgment has been placed, my lord. It is totally on the merit of the case, my lord. And lordship says there is no dispute that previously something is followed, but there cannot be anarchy. You cannot choose your method of selection like you feel it, because lordship will see the proposal which has been issued, page 46. I'm again referring to that page 46. That departmental promotion committee, there is, if they,
No,
whether a proposal of inspector schools can be a method of selection, I want to put that question to my learned friend, my lord. You feel like whatever you want to do, neither you are following that rule, neither following the after. So the proposal of inspector school cannot be a method of selection, my lord. So this selection process is entirely, my lord, wrong, and they had done to suit the private
what
respondent.
do you say about the coordinate bench judgment?
Yes, the lordship may see the judgment, my lord. There's nothing wrong in the judgment, my lord. That senior most person has got the promotion. Lordship may from para 6, my lord.
Yes.
Mr. Learned Counsel for the Karbi Anglong further states that although the Rule 18 had not been adopted by Karbi Anglong as required under the provisions of 6th Schedule to the Constitution of India, but at the same time, spirit of Rule 14 of the Rules 2018 is followed. So the spirit has been followed, my lord. So spirit does not indicate that proposal of inspector should be a method of selection process, my lord. In following the spirit of the rule 14 rules, it is contended that instead of a district or seniority list provided under the rules, the authorities in Karbi Anglong follow the procedure of school-wise. Where is school-wise seniority list, my lord? Here in this case, district was select list not followed, but they followed seniority list provided under rules. So there is no seniority list, my lord, even though in this selection process, my lord, then the authorities in the Karbi Anglong follows the procedure of school-wise seniority list in the respect of which the promotion of the post. So where is the select list, my lord? The school-wise seniority list is not here, my lord. Secondly, instead of being a district selection committee as provided in Rule 14, the authorities in the Karbi Anglong follow the procedure of the district selection committee in the Karbi Anglong, but the criteria of promotion to the post of headmaster of Karbi Anglong follows the criteria provided in Rule 14 of the Rules 2018, which is seniority and satisfactory annual confidential report for the last 3 consecutive years. Accordingly, it is contended that the district selection committee had followed the criteria of seniority as per the respondent number 8 is admittedly senior to the petitioner, as indicated above, there being no unsatisfactory ACR in respect to respondent number 8. The district selection committee deemed appropriate to recommend the respondent number 8 for promotion to the post of headmaster of so and so. Under the provision of 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, it is the prerogative of the Karbi Anglong either frame its own laws or adopt any other law for the purpose of doing so. The Karbi Anglong authorities deemed it appropriate to follow the spirit of Rule 14 of Rules 2018. Under the scheme of the 6th schedule to the Constitution of India, we do not find any infirmity in the procedure adopted by the Karbi Anglong. On the other hand, the authorities in the Karbi Anglong also deemed it appropriate to follow the criteria provided under Rule 14 of the Rules 2018, seniority with satisfactory ACR to be criteria for promotion to the post of headmaster. The district selection committee has taken a decision to recommend respondent number.
Yes, where the
Look into, my lord, our affidavit, page 7.
where's the school seniority list?
My lord, no seniority list, my lord. Lordship, look into, we have, my lord, clarified page 39.
Page.
Page 39, para 7. Affidavit. That the Longneet High School was provincialized on 1/12/1991, and the post of headmaster was vacant on 30/11/2021 due to retirement of Sri Pulin Chandranath. The respondent number 5 was appointed as assistant teacher graduate by order dated 1/11/2004, and she joined in the service on 2/11/2004. Respondent number 5 have the qualification of MA and B.Ed. The District Promotion Committee in its meeting held on 24/3/2022 considered the proposal for promotion to the assistant teacher of Longneet High School to the post of headmaster and recommended respondent number for promotion to the post of headmaster, considering that she is the senior most graduate teacher having requisite qualification for promotion to the post of headmaster, and she had completed more than 10 years of service of graduate teacher. Till then, my lord, till issuance of notification of 2024, we are following the school-wise seniority, not the district-wise seniority.
Fine. School-wise seniority so far as the Longneet High School is
was
concerned.
considered, my lord.
Respondent 5 is senior.
My lord.
There's no doubt on that.
No, my lord.
When you issue that order,
My lord.
that one person, that Durkish, he
Durkesh
was the headmaster of that particular school.
school. But as per, my lord, the provincialized, my lord, that order issued in 2022, lordship, look into the order 21/2/2022. The government of Assam issued the clarification that the school which were provincialized in the 2013, my lord, they could not be the headmaster regular promotion to the post of headmaster could not be made. So there is
Whatever it is, by that time that Durkish,
Shaikia
he was already the headmaster of
of that school, my lord. And then his my lord, service was provincialized as a headmaster, my lord. Lordship, look into the page repetition, my lord.
That's why he was provincialized as a headmaster.
Headmaster, my lord.
So when the respondent number 5 was promoted,
My lord.
there was already a headmaster of the
Was there,
school.
my lord.
There was no necessity for you to bring the respondent number 5 to this particular
My lord,
school.
regarding that part, my lord, regarding transfer part, my lord, that is, my lord, another part, my lord. In this particular case, regarding promotion, my lord.
No, fine.
My lord.
But now this court is going to that.
My lord.
Because
regarding
see,
transfer of-
when the respondent number 5 was considered for promotion.
my lord.
It was, the 5 was considered for promotion with regard to that Longit High School.
My lord,
It is, respondent 5 was, there's no issue on that.
my lord,
5
My
was
lord.
senior, he got promotion.
my lord,
Whether there was a proposal, whatever, that is a different thing.
my lord,
She got promotion.
my lord,
On this side, this, the other school
my lord,
was having a person
my lord,
who was provincialized as headmaster.
my lord. As a
Correct.
headmaster, he is a promotion.
What was the necessity for bringing R5 to this particular school?
My lord,
What
that
was the
my
necessity?
lord, that record will speak, my lord, on that.
Show
my
the
lord.
records.
My lord, I don't have it today, my lord,
Produce the
record, my lord.
Because that is like, this court is now looking into this matter.
Only that
Why?
aspect,
What was the necessity
my
to
lord,
bring respondent number 5 to this school
my lord, my lord.
when this school was already having a headmaster?
My lord, my lord, it may be, my lord, that person may file an application for
Could be.
transfer.
Could be. If that thing is there, that is a different issue.
Different issue, my lord. Lord, we'll
But
produce the
if
record,
that thing is not there,
My
then the, something is not right.
my lord, regarding transfer part, my lord, that is, my lord, lordship will consider that part. My lord, my submission is only in respect of promotion, my lord.
Fine.
Only promotion.
That part, this issue is being raised by the
My
court
lord,
now.
my lord, my lord. That
Because-
part, my lord,
Hmm.
if that part is there, whether how the Dugeshwar Soikia, whose service was provincial as headmaster, and why he was transferred to another school, whether on his own request or like that way, my lord, that I will file by, if it is required, we can file it additional affidavit, or can produce also record on that point.
Oh, you produce your records. After seeing the records,
My lord, my
maybe
lord,
this court may say you file your affidavit
My
so
lord.
that the
My lord.
petitioners may
My lord, my lord.
rebut the
My
affidavit.
lord.
First of all, my lord, the impugn order does not say so that he is requested transfer, because it's a clear case of
No, no.
promotion and transfer.
Maybe.
And-
Let us see the
No,
records.
Lordship may interfere, if it is not, my lord, then only Lordship may interfere only regarding the transfer order, my lord. Transferring her to that particular post, not
No,
the
no.
promotion. As the petitioner does not have the requisite qualification, my lord, that is.
At that particular point of time,
My lord.
petitioner did not have the qualification.
Now she has the requisite.
Respondent number 5 was having the
My
qualification.
lord.
He or she
She.
was rightly promoted as principal,
My lord.
headmaster.
My lord. That
Fine.
much, my lord, that much.
If you retained it, respondent number 5 in that
that
Longit
particular
school,
Then it's okay, my lord.
there's no issue.
There's no
My
issue.
lord.
But what was the necessity to bring him when there was already a headmaster?
Absolutely, my lord.
This is what we want to
My
know.
lord.
Absolutely.
My lord.
And the petitioner is now entitled
Yes.
My lord,
for,
she is eligible. She is
for
eligible
consideration
My
since 2023.
Yes.
my lord.
So
And now she will be considered,
that
my
is
lord.
the whole issue only.
Now, my lord, district-wise seniority list, my lord, and the promotion, my lord,
No, that notification of 2024,
my lord,
which you have
will
put in
be
your,
considered
that has
next
come into effect.
my lord,
Now you'll have to go strictly in terms of that
My lord.
notification.
rules and regulations,
That you'll have to do it.
my lord.
They should produce the selection record, like selection and transfer.
We have
that-
already annexed it, my lord.
Let us see, heard Mr. J. Roy, learned senior counsel, assisted by
R. Hazarika.
R. Hazarika, learned counsel for the petition. Stop. Mr. J. Chutia, learned standing counsel,
Yes.
KAC, shall produce the records. I'm just saying produce the records. You know which records to produce. List the matter on
5th, my lord, December,
next week. The many cases are fixed.
on 10th December, on 10th December. my lord.
Is it okay? Can you do it?
Click on 12 December.
Okay. Well,
Vladimir.
Forty-seven and 48.
Milord, my sincere apology, Milord. And the next week, Milord, we are filing as IA for withdrawal of the previous.
that was already recorded in the earlier
Milord, I
order.
understand, Milord, but I have to send it to Delhi and they comes from signing after Delhi. from Delhi, my lord. This is why Lordship knows, my lord, all government thinks it takes time. My lord, next week, my lord, we are filing the fresh CA along with the IA, my lord.
No, you can't file it fresh unless this court
Yes, yes, my lord.
After
We are
seeing the reasons
what I
after
mean,
giving after seeing the reasons that you have given
lord,
that
in
you are
the-
giving
in
in
the-
the IA,
my lord,
then this
in the
court will
coun-
take a decision.
my lord, in the counter affidavit, we have nothing to dispute as regard facts. We cannot dispute because we are not the custodian of records. Only thing that we need to pursue before your lordship is the correct legal position.
Heard Mr. K.U. Ahmed, learned counsel for the petitioner. Mr. H. Amal, understanding counsel UGC submits that he will be filing an application
For withdrawal of the previous.
for withdrawal of the earlier affidavit filed by the UGC within a period of 1 week.
Right.
Stop. List.
As your lordship pleases, then first week of December, my lord. Any date, please.
Third of my lord.
Oh, third is not 1 week. Today is 28, isn't it?
Yes, my lord.
10th of my lord.
Stand can be, my lord.
Okay, 10.
10th of. I'm of that.
50. May I please, my lord, I am applying response number 8. I submitted affidavit of opposition as well as vacation petition as third lordship. It is not on record.
You file in IA.
IA as well as affidavit in opposition on behalf of response number 8.
Okay. Heard Mr. M.A. Hussain, learned counsel for the applicant. Mr. F.U. Bharwaya, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of the respondent number 8 in WBC 5772 oblique 2023 submits that he has filed that the respondent number 8 has filed affidavit in opposition as well as an interlocutory application praying for vacation of the interim order. Stop. On yesterday
Yesterday filed.
on 27/11/2024. Stop. Register to verify and place the same on record. And list this matter again when? Yeah. After a week?
After it,
After a week.
government directive. 65 of supplementary list admission.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
So this is that matter with regard to the validity of the B.Ed degree. That is a covered matter we have already been submitting. That the B.Ed degree of the petitioner that was being, the hearing was conducted, and pursuant to that, the director has come to a finding that since she has obtained a B.Ed degree without permission, so it is not valid. But as I've been submitted the judgments of this coordinate bench holding that once
Where are those judgments?
Lordship, we have already placed, and this is one of,
You have already placed.
yes, yes. In any case, Lordship. What the judgment says
Give
is,
me one of the latest judgments.
yes, both the first one. Right.
Okay. Let us see your facts.
Yes.
You are ready, Shyama?
Yes.
Lordship, I'll take your Lordship straight away to the impugn order. This was a hearing which was held pursuant to the initiation of the instant proceedings. Order dated 4/10/2023 at page 73.
73. Yes.
May I read it, Your Lordship? Peruse the Honorable High Court's order dated 16/2/23 passed in WPC number so and so, whereby the Honorable Court directed that the Director of Secondary Education Assam and or not below the rank of Deputy Director of Secondary Education, after giving an opportunity of hearing to the petitioner as well as Mitali Sunwal science teacher and other eligible teachers for a said PRS HS school,
Titapur to hold the post of principal in a provincialized secondary school of the state shall pass a reasoned order regarding holding of charge of principal of the said Padmaram Sarma Higher Secondary School, Titapur, Jorhat, as well as entitlement of increment of B.Ed degree obtained by the petitioner in the year 2015 from Dearborn B.Ed College, Dorong under Guwahati University. Peruse the report of hearing attended by the Inspector of Schools JDC Jorhat, Srimati so-and-so, teacher of Padmaram Sarma HS School, and Mitali Sunwal, assistant teacher of Padmaram Sarma Higher Secondary School, submitted by the Deputy Director of Secondary Education Assam. Perused all available records in the office files. It is observed that consequent upon retirement of the existing principal, namely so-and-so, under the district of Jorhat on 28/2/2022, the Inspector of Schools JDC Jorhat by letter number so-and-so submitted the seniority list of teachers along with relevant records for placing next senior most eligible teacher as in charge principal of the school. After perusal of the seniority list of teachers of Padmaram Sarma Higher Secondary School and the other relevant records, it was seen that Srimati so-and-so did not obtain prior approval from the competent authority for pursuing B.Ed course, nor did she obtain B.Ed degree through deputation. Subsequently, a detailed report on the matter of obtaining B.Ed degree by Srimati so-and-so from Dearborn B.Ed College District, Dorong was sought for from the Inspector of Schools JDC Jorhat by this office letter number so-and-so dated 24/2/2022. But the NOC issued to her by the Inspector of Schools JDC Jorhat to pursue B.Ed degree, an order of leave granted for the purpose could not be obtained. In the interest of public service, the Inspector of Schools JDC Jorhat was allowed to hold the charge of principal of so-and-so school along with financial power by this office order number so-and-so dated 8/4/2022. Srimati Barnali Soikia Kakoti acquired B.Ed degree from Dearborn B.Ed College under Dorong district in the year 2015. At the same time, she was also attending normal classes in so-and-so higher secondary school under Jorhat district. Srimati so-and-so could not produce no objection certificate issued by the competent authority for acquiring B.Ed degree. Her claim that no prior permission is necessary to study B.Ed in evening shift classes where normal classes of the school is not hampered as per government OM number so-and-so dated 28/7/24 is not 2014 is not tenable as the government OM is applicable only to those teachers appointed as per government notification number so-and-so dated 13/9/2012. On the other hand, Rule 13 of the Assam Civil Service Conduct Rules 1965 prescribes that no government servant while in government service shall join or attend any educational institution for the purpose of preparing himself or shall appear at an examination of a recognized board for university without obtaining previous permission from the appointing authority. Srimati so-and-so PGT of Padmaram Sarma Higher Secondary School District Jorhat would not explain how she attended regular classes at Dearborn B.Ed College, Dearborn under Dorong district from Jorhat, which is situated at a distance of about 350 km. No leave was taken by her for acquiring B.Ed degree. 80% attendance in B.Ed classes is mandatory in regular B.Ed course. Accordingly, the way of obtaining B.Ed degree by Srimati so-and-so, subject teacher of Padmaram Sarma Higher Secondary School under Jorhat district from Dearborn B.Ed College is found irregular. Moreover, Srimati Vitali Sunwal, assistant teacher, acquired a master degree from Dibrugarh University under distance learning mode during her service period without previous permission from the appointing authority. As such, her MA degree is also not found as per rule. It appears that both Srimati Barnali Soikia Kakoti, PGT, and Srimati Midali Sonwal, assistant teacher of Padmaram Sarma Higher Secondary School, are not eligible for holding the charge of principal of the school. Moreover, no other senior teachers in the school possesses the B.Ed degree. Hence, the Inspector of Schools JDC Jorhat is hereby allowed to continue to hold the charge of principal of the school till regular principal is appointed in the school. Further, Srimati so-and-so PGT of Padmaram Sarma Higher Secondary School obtained her B.Ed degree after 10/7/2012, and as per view of the learned Advocate General Assam on 2/12/2022, these candidates who obtained B.Ed degree prior to 10/7/2012 would be entitled to one advance increment, while those who obtained it after 10/7/2012 may not be so entitled in terms of order dated 14/12/2000 in WPC number so-and-so and others. As such, the Inspector of Schools Jorhat is hereby directed to withdraw the order of allowing one advance increment for acquiring B.Ed degree in respect of Bornali Soikia Kakoti PGT of Padmaram Sarma Higher Secondary School and to initiate necessary steps for recovery of excess drawal amount accordingly. Lordship, as it is it is clear in the first part of the order, the hearing was held only to ascertain, only to come to a finding whether the B.Ed degree that has been acquired by the petitioner and the other teacher of that particular school, whether these are valid or not. And it appears that with respect to the petitioner, they've come to a finding that she has not obtained prior permission from the authorities. And even though the inspector of schools has submitted a report that in terms of the OM dated 2000, OM pertaining to the year 2014, no prior permission is necessary when evening classes are being attended by the teacher concerned. But the authority, the DSE, has come to a finding that no, that is not applicable. And secondly, the manner in which she has acquired the degree, that is found to be irregular by them. Now, in accordingly, the B.Ed degree, they have come to a finding that in accordance with Rule 13 of the Assam Civil Service Conduct Rules, one is to obtain prior permission. So the B.Ed degree, they've come to a finding that the B.Ed degree is not valid. Yes. Now and in respect of the other petitioner also, other teacher also, they've arrived at a finding that she has also not obtained prior permission. So the MA degree that has been obtained by the other teacher, that is also not found to be valid. Now I have placed Lordship two judgments. The purport of the first judgment, which had Honorable Justice retired B. Bujabra, what it says is that a degree that has been obtained by
That's fine.
Yes.
Now, in this order,
Yes.
there are two orders.
Yes.
One is your B.Ed degree is found irregular,
Yes.
and therefore you're not eligible to hold the post of in charge.
Yes, that is what this
One.
is. Yes.
Number two, the B.Ed degree, in view of the B.Ed degree that you have obtained,
Yes.
you're given an increment.
Lordship.
That has to be withdrawn and recovery is to be made.
That is what they say.
Are you aggrieved by both or only one?
Lordship, if the B.Ed degree, if my B.Ed degree is found to be regular, valid, then obviously, Lordship, they cannot they cannot arrive at a finding that I am not entitled to increment.
No. There's a particular period. You have to get your B.Ed degree by within so and so year. If you get it, you get the increment. If you get after that, you don't get. There's only a judgment passed by this court.
Yes, there is a judgment which says that assistant teachers are for acquiring if she has joined in service before 3/7, not Lordship, the obtaining of the B.Ed degree. If the teacher has joined in service before 3/7/2012.
Where's that order?
Lordship, the notification which they have passed pursuant to the passing of the order by the Honorable Court, that is what the order says is that assistant teachers are eligible to get one advance increment for acquiring B.Ed degree provided she has joined in service before 3/7/2012 and obtained B.Ed degree from UGC recognized university and B.Ed college approved by NCT. That is what it says. So one has to join service before 3/7/2012. I come within that. I joined service
No, where's this? Give me this. Can you take out this order? 14/12/2015.
Lordship, this is the notification which they have issued.
What's 14/12/2015?
Yes, sir.
WBC 3733.
WPC 6241 of
3733 /2015.
Lordship, may kindly peruse this. There is the order which they are referring to here. There is a subsequent judgment of the year 2016. Honorable Court's order date is 16/2/2016 in WPC 6241 of 2015. Judgment online. Oh, it will say. It will judgment related say online not related. W 16 to 2016. WPC 6241 of 2015. 6241 of 2015. 16 to 16, 2016. WPC number to apna 6241 of 2015. Honorable Justice A.K. Goswami judgment.
Are you challenging this part also in the writ petition?
In the repetition, Lordship, we are concerned with the B.Ed degree.
Only.
Because, no, Lordship, if the B.Ed degree is found, if the honorable courts come to a finding that the B.Ed degree is valid, then obviously, Lordship, the next will, it will follow, Lordship, that. Fifteen 7/22 order to correction. 15/7/22. Seven. Hmm. Hmm.
Okay. Okay. So you are concerned only with the B.Ed degree.
In fact, Lordship, we have challenged both the orders. There is a findings also on 15/7 by order dated 15/7 to 2022. That is at page 70. That as well as the subsequent order 4/10/2020, both we have challenged. This is by way of an amendment because this was passed subsequent to the initiation of the present proceedings, 4/10/2023.
No, only to the extent of B.Ed degree, not being valid.
Yes, because at that point of time,
Okay.
Lordship,
Okay.
B.Ed and Lordship, as regards that subsequent Lordship benefits after arriving at Lordship, if my B.Ed degree is found to be valid in terms of the honorable court's orders, then subsequent benefits they will be entitled to disburse to me because if there is a honorable court's order with regard to that. And that is a judgment in rem, Lordship. Order date
Where is the order passed by this court?
16 to 2016. Yes, maybe. I've got a soft copy of that order, 16 to
You have not
2016.
annexed it in the writ petition?
No, Lordship, this we have got subsequent just now, a short while ago, this notification. That the government has passed this notification.
No, the order of 16 to 2023.
16 to 2016.
16 to 2023. WC 5258. On the basis of the judgment you're given the hearing, isn't it? Page 73, first line.
Lordship, this is an order passed in a previous writ petition filed by me.
No,
Hearing,
where's that
Lordship,
order? That's what I.
That order is there.
It's annexed.
Yes. Lordship at page 68.
68.
Itu nilang, dito nilang. Emma, ba't ako understand?
No.
Lordship, I'm sorry, at page 66. Final order to 90. 16 to 2023 order to. Huh? Ulwana sila? Ano order sila? Ulwana sila? Ito file ko isa. Episode 2 lang sila. 22/5/2024. 24 file ko isa. Oh. Lordship, this is the amended writ petition. When initially the writ petition was filed on 16 to 2023, then Lordship, at that point of time, that copy of the order dated 16 to 2023 was not available with us. We had filed a writ petition at that point of time because Lordship, the earlier order was regard to a hearing to be conducted in amongst the teachers of the school who were contenders for the post of principal. Because at that point of time, I was holding the post of academic in charge of the school.
Fine.
Yes.
Fine. This order was passed on the basis of this court's order, 16 to 2023, correct?
Yes.
I want to see that order.
Lordship, can it be taken up at 2? I'll please that order.
Okay.
Yes. Nella niente detto non vengo detto. Non hai detto. E dite order.
This court has also passed a recent order recently with regard to the B.Ed degree. You just check out that just recently, I think it was last week or something like that. Just check up. On the same
lines.
on the same lines.
Much.
But this court has taken this order into consideration, and then after we have passed the order.
Much.
You just check up.
Much.
Yes. I don't know that B.Ed degree. I don't know whether you are the one. Just check up. Let's go.
WPC number back. Possibly relevant judgments has been placed. It is only in that.
Where that judgment that which I was looking for?
It can be there. Is there? Oh, yeah,
Here's my.
your prior number, sir?
Okay, yeah.
Yes.
Lordship had repeatedly queried Lordship whether we have challenged the second part of the order regarding the advance increment for B.Ed. Lordship had probably noticed in the prayer portion, though we had challenged this order dated 410 to 2023, but that aspect has not been directly put into challenge.
Yeah.
Because there is a reason, Lordship. If your Lordship again peruses that order, that is a reference to one High Court order that she will not be entitled in terms of order dated 14/12/2015 in WPC 3733 of 2015. Lordship, if that order is taken into consideration, I am not entitled. That is why, Lordship, we had not made a direct challenge. But thereafter, now we have come to know there is one more order of the Honorable High Court passed in the year 2016. By virtue of this, that notification, that 22/10/2014, by which the government had notified that there will no be further an increment for B.Ed degree holders. That was itself quashed, paving the way for continuation of grant of advance increment for B.Ed degree holders. Lordship, that order has, Lordship, this is the 16 to 2016.
I've got it.
Yes. So in terms of that order, the government has also issued the notification, which I had placed before your Lordship. And in terms of that, even I am entitled if my B.Ed degree is valid.
See, you're not particularly challenging the last paragraph.
That is why, Lordship,
So I'm
because of
leaving it
that.
open to the respondents to consider your plea
In
for.
terms of the Honorable High Court's order.
Yeah, that's
Yes.
so.
That can
but
be
I'm
left
not, I'm
open.
not saying much.
Lordship,
Okay, yeah, Sharma.
Here, Director has issued one order, my lord, 4/10/2023. Here, my lord, in this order, it is stated that her B.Ed degree is found irregular, my lord. From the first page, my lord, order 73, page 73, bottom part of the order, Srimati Bornali Soikia Kakoti acquired B.Ed degree from Delmornoy B.Ed College, Delmornoy, under Dorong district in the year 2015. At the same time, she was also attending normal classes in Padmaram Sarma Higher Secondary School under Jorhat district. Srimati Bornali Soikia Kakoti could not produce no objection certificate issued by the competent authority for acquiring B.Ed degree. Her claim that no prior permission is necessary to study B.Ed in evening shift classes where normal classes of the school is not hampered as per government government office memorandum dated so and so dated 28/7/2014 is not tenable. As the government office memorandum is applicable only to those teachers appointed as per government notification number so and so dated 13/9/2012. On the other hand, Rule 13 of Assam Civil Service Conduct Rule 1965 prescribes that no government servant while in government shall join or attend any educational institution for the purpose of preparing himself for or self at an examination of a recognized board or university without obtaining previous permission from the appointing authority. Srimati Bornali Soike Kagoti PGT of Padma Sharma Higher Secondary School, District Jorhat, could not explain how she attended regular classes at Deomornoi B.Ed College, Deomornoi under Dorong district from Jorhat, which is situated at a distance of about 360 kilometers. No leave was taken by her for acquiring B.Ed degree. 80% attendance in B.Ed classes is mandatory in a regular B.Ed courses. Accordingly, the way of
This we have gone through. This we have gone through.
yes. So, my lord, 360 kilometers is there and 80% attendance is required. In our affidavit also it is contained.
Have you issued any show cause notice? Any departmental proceeding against the petitioner?
As per this affidavit is concerned, it is not issued till now.
We will dispose it of.
Yes, Lordship, because the moot point is whether the irregular illegally.
The Boragun, London Council for the petition. As well as Mr. Yu Sharma. London Standing Council. Secondary Education Department. On behalf of all the respondents. Are you challenging this 15/7/2022 also?
Yes, Lordship. Yes. There is a specific prayer. Yes. That is, the findings are recorded there, 15/7/2022.
Give us.
There's a direct challenge. There's a prayer for setting aside that order also, 15/7/2022.
Okay. The petitioner. Where's your appointment order? Was initially appointed.
29. 20. 26.
Was initially temporarily appointed as a subject teacher in economics. And posted at PRS Higher Secondary School for a period of 3 months or till the post is filled up by the candidate selected by the state selection board, whichever is earlier, with effect from the date of joining, by an order dated 26 May 1992, issued by the Director of Secondary Education, Assam. Stop. The petitioner accordingly. When did you join?
Lordship, thereafter regularization.
When did you join to the post?
Yes, Lordship, regulation order at page 31.
When did you join to the post after your appointment? When did you join?
Lordship, on the same day, 26 May 90, joining same day, Lordship. It's been joining, Pelican item. Lordship, there is no separate joining on that day itself. (26 May 1992) she was appointed, and 27 May 1992.
The petitioner accordingly joined to the said post on 27/5/1992. Stop. By an order dated 16th October 2001, issued by the Director of Secondary Education, Assam. And on the basis of the screening conducted in pursuance of government instruction dated 16/10/1998, the appointment of the petitioner was regularized. Stop. In the meantime, comma, the petitioner, in the meantime, the petitioner obtained her B.Ed degree from the
Lordship, Diomornoi B.Ed College, Dorong District. Diomornoi B.Ed College,
from
Dorong.
the- where's that or where's that?
Lordship, a certificate at page 33, annexure 3, in the year 2015.
This Guwahati University.
Yes, this is affiliated to Guwahati University. This is the pass certificate issued by the Guwahati University.
In the meantime, the petitioner obtained her B.Ed degree from the Diomornoi
B.Ed.
B.Ed College, comma, Diomornoi. In the year?
In the year 2015.
In the year 2000.
Mark sheet dated 15 to 16.
In the year 2015. Stop. Para. You were serving in that time your principal retired, is it?
Not that year, 2016. 16, right? Huh?
28.
Lordship, since 28 February 2022, the post of principal has been lying vacant.
The principal of Patmaram Sharma Higher Secondary School, comma, Titapar, attained the age of superannuation on completion of 60 years and retired from service on 28 to 2022. Stop. The petitioner, having the requisite eligibility of master's degree, correct?
Lordship.
As
Yes.
well as B.Ed degree, to hold the post of the principal and also being the senior most subject teacher serving in the said school, approached the inspector of schools, Jorhat, to allow her to hold the charge of principal of the said school. Stop. Then what happened? Para.
Lordship will kindly peruse the document at page 41, annexure 6. She, as the principal was on at that point of time was on the verge of retirement, she laid a claim as your
That's
Lordship
what
will
I've
observe.
already stated.
Yes. And there was the other teacher of the same school who was also staking a claim. She made an allegation regarding the
What is this
validity.
office memorandum of 28/7/2014?
Lordship, this is the office memorandum by which
It is the case of the petitioner that the Secondary Education Department, comma, Government of Assam issued an office memorandum dated 28 July 2014 relaxing the required educational and professional qualifications of B.Ed oblique BT degree for the post of teachers in provincialized higher secondary school. And high school oblique high madrasa. After no, during the period up to 1st January 2015, enabling such teachers serving in provincialized schools, provincialized high school, oblique high madrasa, to obtain their B.Ed degree within 5 years from the date of joining in their service. Stop. By the said memorandum also provides that the teachers of provincialized higher secondary school, oblique high school, oblique high madrasa shall be deputed for B.Ed training course for acquiring the degree in terms of the conditions specified therein, allowing such deputed teachers to pursue their B.Ed degrees from B.Ed College of the State, which have affiliation with the Guwahati University, oblique Dibrugarh University, and Assam University in evening shift classes, where normal classes of the schools are not hampered, for which no prior permission shall be required. Stop. Para. Accordingly, comma, the petitioner accordingly is a he or she
She.
staked her claim to be the in charge principal of the said Patmaram Sharma Higher Secondary School, Ditabar, along with the power of DTO. Stop.
May I just interrupt? Lordship, may kindly peruse page 49. The outgoing principal at the time of his retirement handed over the charge of academic duties to the present petitioner. Page 49. On 28/2/2022.
Further, comma, the outgoing principal of the said school also handed over the charge of academic duties to the petitioner as per direction of the inspector of school by a communication dated 28/2/2022. Stop. There was a letter from the inspector also.
Yes, yes. Lordship, as I had referred, the other teacher had complained regarding my validity of, at page 41. There was a letter from the deputy director to the inspector. He was directed to cause an inquiry into the validity of my B.Ed degree at page 41.
No, that is before the office memorandum.
Yes, on the basis of that office memorandum was relied on by the inspector of schools to hold that my B.Ed degree is valid. That is why the office.
As no steps were taken by the respondents, allowing the petitioner to act as in charge principal of the said school, comma, the petitioner preferred with petition number 5258, correct?
Not,
With
yes.
petition,
528,
preferred WBC
Five-
number
5258.
5258 oblique 2022, which was disposed of by an order dated 16 to 2023. With the following directions. A to A. Stop. Then what is this 15 where's that 15 order?
15/7, 2022, page 70. 15 at page 70.
Oh.
Pursuant to this order that, oh, this cannot be.
I think this is not required.
This is not, this was held prior to, as I had submitted. The other teacher had complained regarding my validity. And at that point of time, the,
So this is not
not,
required.
yes, this can be skipped.
Consequent to the order dated 16 to 2023, passed by this court in WBC number 5258 of 2022. The Director of Secondary Education Assam passed in order dated 4/10/2023. Wherein it was held that the way of obtaining B.Ed degree by the petitioner is found irregular. Stop. Is found irregular, and the petitioner is not eligible for holding the charge of the principal of the said school. Stop. The order further reflects that the inspector of schools, JDC Johat, was allowed to continue to hold the charge of principal of the school till regular principal is appointed in the school. Stop. No, otherwise don't say like that. Where is it? Passed in order dated 4/10/2023, and the relevant portion reads as under. Huh? That will be better. B to B, page 73. Okay. B to B. It's a long order. Stop. Para being aggrieved with the order dated 4/10/2023, the petitioner is before this court by way of the present writ petition. Stop. Para you've got your graduate scale of pay also, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
with effect from? Anyway,
It's not a date of, she's got
Date
a
of receiving.
postgraduate scale of pay since 27/5/1992 because she was a postgraduate degree holder since the time of her appointment. 27/5/1992.
learned counsel for the petitioner submits that the petitioner is eligible to be considered for the post of in charge principal of which
Padmaram Sharma Higher Secondary School.
of the Patmaram Sharma
Higher Secondary School,
Higher Secondary School,
Madhapur, District Jorhat.
Higher Secondary School, Titapar.
Madhapur, MA, it's indicated Madhapur here.
Where?
Madhapur, MA, Lordship peruses the graduation, the gradation list at page 36. It's
District Jorhat.
District Jorhat,
District
District
Jorhat.
Jorhat. Madhapur,
Stop.
Jorhat.
It is also submitted that the petitioner received a graduate scale of pay with effect from 27/5/1992. Correct.
Postgraduate scale of pay.
Postgraduate.
Yes,
received a
27/5/1992.
Postgraduate scale of pay with effect from 27/5/1992. And as the petitioner has obtained her MA degree as well as B.Ed degree, comma, she is entitled to be considered for holding the post of in charge principal of the said school in terms of Rule 12 of the Assam Secondary Education within bracket provincialized schools close bracket service rules 2018 within bracket rules of 2018 in short. Inasmuch as the petitioner has the required qualification. And how many years you have entered?
In the service since 1992,
As a graduate teacher, as a
32 years now.
and has also rendered more than 30 years
Yes, 32 years.
of service as a graduate teacher.
Yes.
As a graduate teacher. Stop. However, comma, the director of secondary education by the impugned order dated 4/10/2023 came to a wrong finding that the B.Ed degree obtained by the petitioner is irregular and accordingly she is not entitled to hold the post of in charge headmaster. Principal, correct?
Principal.
To hold the
It's a higher secondary school.
the charge of in charge principal of the said school. Stop. Mr. Mr. U. Sharma, London Standing Council Secondary Education submits that as the petitioner did not obtain no objection certificate within bracket NOC in short from the competent authority prior to acquiring his B.Ed degree, comma, the said decree could not be recognized by the government and accordingly the director of secondary education has rightly passed the order dated 4/10/2023.
Regarding attendance also, 80% attendance is required for B.Ed degree and 3.
He further submits that with regard to obtaining B.Ed degree, a candidate has to have at least 80%, 80% attendance. However, the university, the college from which the petitioner had obtained her degree is more than 360 kilometers away from
From
her school, and therefore, the petitioner could not have obtained the B.Ed degree without hampering her normal uh, normal school duties.
Yes.
Correct?
Yes.
That's all.
Yes.
Stop. Para. You got your MA degree and B.Ed degree from the Guwahati University only, no?
MA degree from Dibrugarh University.
Okay.
MA degree in the.
But your MA degree is not
well,
under
that is not under challenge or question.
para.
But it is also without permission.
No. That is of the other teacher.
Right.
Insofar as the B.Ed degree obtained by the petitioner from the
B.Ed College,
B.Ed College,
Dorong district.
Darang district under the Guwahati University is concerned, you did not obtain the no objection certificate.
No, no objection certificate. I did not.
There is no doubt that the said degree was obtained without getting the prior approval from the competent authority. Stop. A coordinate bench of this court, by judgment and order dated 28/9/2023, passed in IA within bracket civil number 2615/2013, has held us under. Stop. Yes. It will be C. It will continue up to C. Para. I'll just mark it here. Para. Applying the ratio of the decision of this court in Tankiswar not within bracket Supra, it is held that the B.Ed degree acquired by the petitioner, having been so acquired from a recognized university, the said degree is otherwise valid and acceptable in law, and accordingly, the petitioner is held to have the fulfilled eligibility criteria for consideration for the post of in charge principal of the said that so and so of the said so and so school. Stop. Accordingly, this writ petition is disposed of, directing the Director of Secondary Education Assam to consider the claim of the petitioner for consideration for the post of in charge principal of so and so school and take necessary steps for filling up the said post in accordance with law and in terms of the observation made by this court here and above within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the order of this court. Stop. Para. Insofar as the entitlement of increment, of the petitioner in terms of obtaining his B.Ed degree is concerned, comma, this court has observed, this court has noticed that the Director, Secondary Education Assam, in the order dated 4/10/2023, has referred to an order dated 14/12/2015, passed in WBC 3733/2015, within bracket Kamlesh Nagar Hajum versus State of Assam and others. And accordingly, the petitioner and accordingly, the Inspector of Schools, Johat, was directed to withdraw the order of allowing one advance increment for acquiring B.Ed degree in respect of the petitioner and to initiate necessary steps for recovery of excess withdrawal amount. Stop. Uh, Stop. No, no, no. Don't say like that. Cancel it. Insofar as the entitlement of the petitioner to receive one advance increment by virtue of obtaining the B.Ed degree is concerned, comma, this court has noticed that the Director of Secondary Education Assam has held that as the petitioner had obtained her B.Ed degree after 10/7/2012, and as per the view of the learned Advocate General Assam, those candidates who obtained B.Ed degree prior to 10/7/2012 would be entitled to one advance increment, comma, while those who obtained after 10/7/2012 may not be entitled in terms of the order dated 14/12/2015 in WBC number 4733/2015, within bracket Kamlesh Kumar Haju versus State of Assam and others.
My lord, it's 3733.
3733 of 2000.
3733. Accordingly, the Inspector of Schools, Johat, was directed to withdraw the order of allowing one advance increment for acquiring B.Ed degree by the petitioner and to initiate necessary steps for recovery of excess withdrawal amount. Stop. This court, para, in another writ petition, namely WBC number 6241/2015, by order dated 16/2/2016, had quashed the government notification number AAC stop 229/2013/153 dated 22/10/2024. Stop. Consequent thereto, comma, the Joint Director of Secondary Education Assam, by a communication dated 27 July 2016, an address to the Inspector of Schools, JDC Jorhat, stated that the assistant teachers are eligible to get one advance increment for acquiring B.Ed degree, provided within bracket 1, she has joined service before 3/7/2012, and within bracket 2, obtained B.Ed degree from UGC recognized university and B.Ed college approved by NCT. Stop. However, comma, as the person with petition is confined only with regard to the eligibility of the petitioner to hold the post of in charge principal by virtue of her obtaining B.Ed degree, comma, this court is this court uh, this court is leaving the issue open to the wisdom of the Director of Secondary Education, Assam, to proceed uh, uh, to take to proceed no, to take steps as to the entitlement of the petitioner for receiving one advance increment in terms of the settled law that is in operation as on today. Stop. Para. Accordingly, comma, the impugned order dated 4/10/2023 passed by the Director Secondary Education Assam is interfered with, and the same is accordingly set aside and quashed insofar as it pertains to the B.Ed degree obtained by the petitioner. Stop. With the above observations and directions, this petition is disposed.
Next.
All here, huh? You can check it.
68.
Yes,
Lordship, we have just received the instruction here, Lordship.
third MS,
K. Bharali.
K,
Bharali.
learned counsel for the petition. MS D. Mushari, learned standing counsel, Secondary Education Department, supplies that she has received instructions and prays for
Lordship, 2 weeks.
2 weeks time to file contract. Praise a lot. List after 2 weeks.
Like,
51 of daily list order.
May I please? Your Lordship, I am appearing on behalf of my senior Mr. M.R. Kondolak. Your Lordship, kindly peruse the order dated 13/11/2022.
Lordship, 51, I have placed the instructions here, Lordship.
Your Lordship, in terms in court order dated 2022, but till date has not been complained.
Have you got a copy of these instructions? How much time do you require?
Lordship, because it is with the finance department, Your Lordship, so we require.
Now the approval of the CM has come,
Yes, Your Lordship. So at least.
so it should not take time.
Lordship. Lordship,
Once the approval from the CM comes, then you should proceed accordingly.
Okay, 3 weeks.
Okay.
Give a short break, man.
But Mr.
A. Rahman.
A.
A. Rahman.
Raman, learned counsel for the petitioner. MS D. Mushari, learned counsel appearing,
Lordship, on behalf of NG Katunia, Your Lordship, because
learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. N.J. Katania, learned counsel appearing for the respondent number
for the director, Your Lordship. Sole respondent, Your Lordship.
on behalf of the sole respondent has produced a communication dated 27/11/2024, written by the Deputy Secretary to the Government of Assam, Department of School Education, wherein it is stated that the proposal for creation of one post in favor of the petitioner was endorsed to the CM office for approval of the Chief Minister on the suggestion of the Finance Department. Stop. It is also indicated that the approval from the Chief Minister has now been received, and the department has re-endorsed the proposal for creation of posts to the Finance within bracket SIU department for their concurrence. And once the concurrence of the Finance Department is received, the department would be empowered to issue the sanction order. Stop. She accordingly prays for 3 weeks' time to enable her to receive further updated instructions. Stop. Praise allowed. List after 3 weeks. The communication dated 27/11/2024 is placed on record.
52.
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, this is contempt matter. Page 8 is the operative order. Relevant portion, page 17, my lord. From para 5, Lordship, see.
No, that is fine. Who appears?
They are not arranging examination till today, for which the students are behind us. We are the principals and head of the institute.
Notice has gone.
No, this is notice has not gone. No, notice has gone, yes, my lord. Notice has gone. But no response from them, my lord.
No, it has come back with the address, no such address in the department.
How it can be, my lord, because secretary was
Elementary education, who appears?
by name, it will go Mondit Kosari.
No, 1 minute.
Mondit Brahma.
Let us just take some help from the elementary education department. I don't think there's a secretary elementary education. There's a secretary school education, I think.
Order lordship can you see para 8.
No,
Page
that's fine.
17.
That's fine. You wait for some time, let the elementary education council come, who will take up. Yes, keep it.
Lord. 53.
May I please, Your Lordship? Lordship, Mr. D.P. Bora, Standing Council of Health and Family Welfare, Lordship, he is on legs in court number 70.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Okay, Lord.
My lord. Page number 38, my lord. The lordship order, and page number 53 is the relevant direction, my lord.
Which?
Page 53, my lord. Last 21, paragraph 21, my lord. 1 month time was, my lord, granted for issue of the NOC, my lord.
Otherwise also, Lordship, as per Lordship's order dated 16/8/2024, we have filed a review petition, Lordship. So the review petition was filed before the filing this contempt petition, Lordship.
Maybe, my lord, but this, my lord, this reply should come, my lord, for non-compliance of this order, my lord.
Lordship, let's say Mr. DP Bora claim.
The court will rise, my lord, till 15, my lord.
3. I'm rising at 3.
Yes.
Then we'll fix a date. Let him come.
On Monday, my lord. Kindly be
Third,
urgent.
Mr. M.G. Katir, on the counsel for the petitioner. On request made on behalf of D.P.
Mr.
Bora,
D.P. Bora.
learned counsel appearing for the sole respondent.
Yes, Lord.
Sole.
Sole respondent. Raised the matter on Monday. Too many cases are there.
Monday or Tuesday, my lord, because my lord, academic session is going, my lord.
Third December.
Public.
Tell him to be present on the day.
My lord, in the meantime, if they, my lord, file any affidavit, they may file in the meantime.
That
57 and 64 of supplementary list.
My lord, tasteful law college matter, my lord.
Oh. What is this IA?
Lordship, I filed an order stay vacating lordship. Lordship, firstly,
1 minute. Your IA is for what?
My lord, my IA with the 3552 was for allowing me to sit in one of the examinations, my lord. Because this honorable court had suspended suspended some of the disciplinary actions, allowing me to take part in the examination. Despite that, my lord, they accepted one of my projects on ethics paper. I told them in my representation categorically that kindly allow me to appear because I'll have backlogs otherwise. If my lord would kindly have page 24 for a moment.
Okay, I got it. And the other one is?
order one is filed by the respondent number 9, Lordship.
IA 3669.
Yes, Lordship, that's an order stay vacating.
Notice has gone.
No, today it just come for the first time.
Okay, vacation.
Yes, my lord.
You want to file your objections?
My lord, yes.
You will.
My lord, till then, my lord, my humble prayer is since my lord would kindly peruse the last order passed in 3552 of 24 by this honorable court. Since notice was already issued and my learned senior friend on the last occasion had verbally submitted that they will take care of all the examinations and everything, I may be allowed to take part in that examination now.
When is the examination being
My
held?
lord, it went away, my lord. It was in the month of.
It was an internal examination.
Internal
Sessional examination.
assessment examination. So that may be allowed, my lord, because they have allowed me anyway.
When is the end semester?
December, my lord. Notification has come out this December. The notification is at page 34 of the IA, my lord. Will be held in the month of December 21 of the IA, page 34. They had allowed me, my lord, the college authorities, and I had also duly filled my form also. So, my lord, my humble prayer is that since they are allowing me to take part in the end semester examination, that assessment examination also I may be allowed. That is my prayer in the IA. Very small prayer, my lord.
Okay, you appeared this thing semester exam.
No, my lord. May I kindly. My lord would kindly have my representation at page 24 for a moment of the IA, my lord. I'll only read the operative part, my lord. My lord would kindly have the 4th paragraph, my lord. May I read? Further, I request you to allow me to appear in the first sessional examination wide reference number so and so, dated 28/24, which was held during 24/9/24, 28/9/24, and I was not allowed to appear for the same, owing to the restrictions imposed upon me wide reference number so and so.
Okay.
That is my limited prayer.
Yes, that's.
Lordship, this my humble submission in this writ petition is not maintainable, Your Lordship. In 2 grounds, Lordship. The first and the most important ground is that Lordship, the Faithful Law College is a private institution, Lordship. This Faithful Law College has not come up with there is no legislation that has formulated to institute this Faithful Law College. It's a private institution, Lordship. he has any grievance, Lordship, he can approach any other authority, Lordship. Lordship, under what law, Lordship, Tezpur Law College? have
Okay, then you,
My lord, there is a two. Just a minute.
1 minute,
My-
Sharma, you file your objection in the IA.
My-
We'll take up next week, or you file your objection as early as possible.
It
if you
doesn't
want.
fall under Article 12, Your Lordship.
My lord, it falls under. I have got judgments of my lord.
When are you filing your affidavit?
My lord, immediately, my lord, next week early.
Okay. In the IA, that is an item number.
My lord, I 3552 of 24.
Okay. Do one thing. In item 57, huh?
Yes, sir.
List this matters along with IA number 3669 of 2024. Oh. And then in IA number 3669, you say heard Mr.
TJ Das,
TJ Das, Learned Counsel for
the applicant in IA number 3669.
for the applicant. Stop. Issue notice. Higher education.
Lordship, notice, Ms. Like, copies have been served.
No,
here.
no, issue notice.
Yes, Lord.
Two and three. Mr. S. We are Standing Council Higher Education appears for respondents 2 and 3. How about all this? Principal Tezpur Law College. You're the principal, isn't it?
Yes, Lordship.
Why have you met yourself a party again here?
No, Lordship, I am the principal in charge, Lordship. There is no principal in the Tezpur Law College.
Okay.
There is only principal in charge.
Guwahati University? Okay. Vice Chancellor Guwahati, you are appearing. Mr. A Day, Learned Counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. PG Fukar. Learned Standing Counsel Guwahati University appears for respondents 4, 5. Registered Tezpur Law College, this also you.
Lordship, there is no registrar in Tezpur because they were added as the in the petition, that's
Government
why.
who appears, District Commissioner, Additional District Commissioner, Executive
Government
Magistrate.
advocate.
B. Dewey. Mr. B. Dewey, Learned Government Advocate appears for the respondents 6, 7, and 8. Stop. Mr. P.R. Sharma, Learned Counsel, appearing for the respond number 1, oblique writ petitioner. Praise for
My lord, till my lord, 4 days time to.
praise for 4 days time to file to file objections. Praise a lot. List on when?
My lord, 7th, if it pleases, my lord.
7th,
7th
December.
is Saturday.
Oh, sorry. My lord, on 6th.
6th. Okay.
Lordship may not be on 6th, Your Lordship, maybe on 5th, Your Lordship. If it's not,
Well, 5th, I'll not be in station. 4th, my lord.
then on 4th, Your Lordship.
Can you file it before that?
Yes, my lord.
List the matter on. Fortnightly. Let us have it on 6th then.
But it's 6th, some difficulty, Lordship, on my part.
Okay.
Very sorry, Lordship.
The 9th, my lord. If it pleases, my
9th. List the matter on 9th.
It can be decided on.
yes, my lord.
Along with WBC number
5662 of
5662 of 20.
My lord,
In
elementary.
the first on 9th.
No, he's elementary education has come. Item 52.
Yes, Shama,
That's it.
who is the secretary?
Secretary is the Narayan Kumar and the Mr. Manojit Brahma is not the secretary. And otherwise also this matter pertains to BTC.
No.
No. I'm just asking you one thing.
Secretary
Who
is
is-
Narayan Kumar.
Wrong person is included.
Narayan Kaur has been transferred. I know that.
No, as
But
of
we have heard that she is transferred and in his place Manjit Promo has come.
no. As on today, Narayan Kumar is the secretary. I have just confirmed.
Then
Here
Then
the,
I'll do one thing. I'll
Then-
give you time to ascertain the address of the sole respondent. then we list it on a fixed date. On that day, you'll have to, or you can do one thing. You can file an IA for implement. That will be shorter, I think.
That was the last order was in March 2024. Today it is Narayan Kumar. He is the secretary. Department of School Education. Even the nomenclature is also has to be corrected. It is the secretary to the Department of School Education.
Mr. M.U. Mahmood, learner counsel for the petitioner, prays for 1 week time to file an appropriate application for correction of the name and address of the sole respondent. Praise a lot. List after 1 week.
Milord,
My lord,
may I humbly submit, Milord, I'm coming all the way from Calcutta.
Yes,
This is the fourth time I'm coming, Milord. Item number 58, Milord. Kindly fix up with it, Milord. All the notices have been served to the opponent parties.
How do you say that?
And 3 and 4, we are striking down, Milord. Respondent numbers 3 and 4. They are National Commission for Backward Classes. We are striking them down, Milord.
3 and 4.
Yeah, Milord.
How can you strike it down?
Milord, I'm making a prayer, Milord. I just leave them aside because
You'll have to make an application for striking them down.
okay, Milord.
Oh.
Milord. We're taking steps.
Mr.
N.K. Roy.
N.K. Roy, learned counsel for the petitioner. Prays for 1 week time?
Yes, Milord.
1 week time to file an appropriate application for deleting the name of the respondents 3 and 4. Stop. Praise a lot. List after 1 week?
1 week, Milord.
Okay.
my lord,
Grateful,
item,
Milord.
my lord, item number 62, my lord. May be taken up on 12, my lord.
Okay. Yeah, that day I think we should be able to take up. Okay. On request made by Mr. Ben Patel, then the counsel for the petition.
Item 63, lordship.
On 12th. Yes.
63.
Huh.
Lord, so time will permit, so let it be a fixed date, lordship, in January.
January. On request made by H. Ramat.
21st of January. And request to the top of the list, lordship, because it is always come to the last item.
Matter, when do you want?
21st of January.
Okay, list the matter on 21st January. On that day, I'm giving you liberty to mention and update.
Okay.
I'm okay.
Same here on item number.
MS P. Agrawal appears for the
Respondent number 3, UGC.
standing council appears for the UGC.
And I am for Lordship 1 and 2
And
for the
Mr.
university.
DJ Das, then council appears for the
Respondent 1 and 2 for the university.
respondent 1 and
National law.
Lordship, item number 60, I am praying for a fixed date because Lordship, this some of the petition I have retired. Very small issue, Lordship, it will not take much time, Lord.
Okay, on request made by SK Das, then the council for the petition. When?
Lordship, next week, Lordship.
Next week is full. 11th. 11th December.
Item number 59, lordship, let it be fixed on 21st of January, lord.
Okay, 59 on request made by Mr.
SK Singh.
Then it council
For respondent 1 to 7.
1 to 7. List the matter on
21st of January.
Okay.
May it please a lot.
Oh.
In respect to item number 70 and 71 of the supplementary cause list, my lord. The notice in these matters are yet to be issued, my lord. And today the matter was fixed with a direction to the respondents whether DIAS code is required for higher secondary school teachers for provincialization, my lord. So my prayer is, my lord, the matter may kindly come on Monday for motion, my lord. The notice is yet to be served, my lord.
Item 69.
69 has been mentioned in the morning hours, my lord. And item 70.
69 goes with 70 and 71.
Yes, my lord, but in 70 and 71 notices are yet to go, my lord.
Correct.
Oh,
I think we pass orders.
in 69, my lord, the order has been passed, my lord, but in 70 and 71. And
70 and 71. Okay.
Yes.
On request made by Mr. R.M. Dekal and the council for the petitioner, list on Monday, na?
Monday for motion, my lord. Notices are yet to go, my lord, in this matter.
List the matter on 9th. No, but why is it tacked up together?
My lord,
How was it taken up?
My lord, on last occasion, a prayer was made from the respondent side, my lord. That these matters are fixed with item number 69. Therefore, my lord, these two take, I think the matters are, facts are similar, my lord. But my lord, since notices are yet to go in these two matters, therefore I'm making this prayer. my lord.
69 is also fixed on Monday. There's not an issue.
Yes.
What we'll do, we'll listen on Monday, then we'll same order.
Monday.
71 also. Huh?
My
My
lord,
lord, and
item
it will oblige.
number 61. Yeah, that may be taken up next week, Lordship. 61.
On request made by a few Barbuya and council for the petition. List on 12.
12 plus.